On a hot, bustling summer day in July 2025, the digital highways of YouTube come alive as an unexpected force barrels into action. Captain Big Rig Butter Stunts, renowned for his daring trading strategies, and his clever Chihuahua Molehole are on a mission like no other. Their objective: to clear the stops lurking beneath key support levels, creating the perfect environment for futures floor traders to seize long positions. As Captain Butterstunts and Molehole clear out the stops, futures floor traders closely monitor the NQ. Amidst steady volumes and cautious optimism, they strike as soon as Captain Butterstunts gives the thumbs up. Hoorah, mother truckers! P.S. Hey, Skeletor. I got your chocolate salty balls. Stay tuned for episode 2, dropping on Monday, July 21st, where Joker and Woodchip try to steal back Skeletor's balls when Butters is sleeping. And tune in to the Futures Floor live stream starting at 9:15 a.m. every morning. Co-streaming daily with Omnius Trades and a 5-man support crew more unhinged than a trader on tilt. Chip, bringing sawdust, pure glory, and unhinged stream energy to the squad. Joker, the only man I know who lights a candle for the algo and swears it whispers his entry levels every morning. Butters Stunts. Nothing says prop firm whore like a blue semi with Molehole riding shotgun and that wholesome chaos grin. Mike Stunts, clearly the evil Knievel of the trading world, launching grenades, grand slam trades, and dirt bikes with equal recklessness. And Skeletor, whose backpack's probably packed with stolen prop firm account numbers and a jar of his chocolate salty balls. Don't forget, we're live at 9:15 a.m. Be there, or we'll let Butters trade your account. Oh, and bring your sense of humor, because we trade, we laugh, and we lose. Peace out.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Everything I said in that disclaimer was true, except for the part where it said that we trade drunk, where it didn't say that we trade drunk. So don't copy our trades. Let's take a quick look. Start with the 30-minute chart. Oh, interesting. We swept the Asian session highs, and we are now sweeping the Asian session lows and coming down to the previous close. How many of you who watch my channel know what comes next? If the 1-2 punch lands, then it's the 1-2-3 punch. 1-2 landed, 3 is back up. Asian session highs are a target today. 23,280. It's not that far away, and there's an 80% chance that we're going to take that out again. Keep in mind, though, we don't know what time that's going to be, right? We could trade lower, we could trade sideways, we could take them out at lunch, we could take it out at 3:45, just before the market closes. That'll be enough to put a box in the we took it out column and add to the percentages. So, you know, it's one thing to have a bias that we're going to take out the Asia session highs, but you got to realize how that bias works. Got myself in a Bitcoin trade now that my Bitcoin chart is up and running properly. Today's going to be the last week I'm going to be running it on Sim. I think I'm ready to go live on Bitcoin by next week. Give myself a little bit more running room. Gold, unfortunately, I don't know if you can see it. Gold, the entry was right there. We kissed the bands and then we just took off. And NQ, same thing. Fuck, we kissed the bands over here. And then we went lower. So what can you do? We missed it. I do have my Topstep trades, and this morning I am starting to trade the BULENOX accounts. On the main screen over here, believe it or not. Why, believe it or not? I'm not sure why, believe it or not, but believe it or not. I'm going to get rid of 2 SIM accounts because they're in my way. Remove account. I don't need it. You must be disconnected. Okay, connection, disconnect. I have an open position. That's okay. SIM 102, right? On SIM 103, remove account. Yes. SIM 104, remove account. Yes, I don't need that many. Connections, BULENOX. Get back onto BULENOX. Okay, well, that's cool. One of my master accounts is at 51,053. The other master account, 5268. And the other one, if I can find it, 49,759. Well, not that good, but we'll work on them. I'm going to go confirm that they have PDLLs locked in, which they should. Let's get back up watching the Bitcoin trade. In the meantime, while I check PDLLs. And while I'm waiting for Rhythmic to load, what do we got? Oh, it's true. Let me, where does this keep going away? I don't get it. Every time my account center keeps just disappearing. Volume, 184,000. That's pathetic. That's really pathetic. We should be close to 400,000. It's less than half. Oh shit, I was gonna take a partial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 5. At 5. 4 or 5 bars, that's time for a partial. Anyways, I think it'll go back down. Bitcoin is a pretty steady trader. Let's take a look at it on the 1 minute. Yeah, we're stair-stepping down. There's your small retrace. We're gonna go back down again, most likely. Bitcoin's a real easy animal to trade. It's just so smooth. Doom, 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 doom. Then when it goes up, doom, 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 doom. It's a doom trader. It's like Humpty Dumpty. What did I say I was going to do? Oh, yeah. Just kept disappearing. Let me load the daily changes. Let me load the Renko levels. And you. Okay, we're all ready to go. We can see the new Renko levels. Put in Q back up. And sweep on next. Log into BULENOX. Right click. View risk parameters. Risk parameter set by the trader. Okay, all is good. Cancel. Close. Hey, good morning, Joker. How are you doing this morning? Market's still chugging higher. Gold's chugging higher. And Bitcoin, chugging higher, taking a break, but everything's going up. The only thing I see right now is the bias to the upside. We took out the Asia highs and then we took out the Asia lows. So I was just saying that when there's the 1-2 punch, 80% of the time it's a 1-2-3 punch. So at some time during the day, I'm expecting the market to go back up to 23,280. But I always say that could be at any time during the day. So it's not something that, exit, yes. It's not something that I'm going to be tracking to the point where I'm going to take long trades when I should be going short, but okay, so we're in a Bitcoin trade, and I'll watch it over here. Missed the gold trade. I tried to structure my trading on the weekend in a way that I hold for longer moves. Caught a nice one yesterday. What was it? 600 ticks? Was that possible? Or points? What am I even tracking over here in Bitcoin? Am I tracking points or ticks? I'm tracking points. Okay, so it was 600 points. So I'll have my my Topstep system, and I'll be trading also the other one as well. I automated it, but I'm going to today I'll trade it. But after that, I think I'm just going to let the bots run it, and I'll just focus on streaming and making jokes. Because I got to tell you, it's going to be too hard for me to trade if I have to trade it manually. But if I just let it go and have confidence in it, then I'll stream, and when I see a big profit, I'll take it. Sounds like a plan, eh? Let's see how it works. And today I'm trading BULENOX. Gonna use my trade copy here. Oh, shit. What am I looking for? Trade copier. Positions. Counts. Apex copier. You know what? I should probably take one trade now just to warm it up, because this thing always makes mistakes. 9, 10. Who's the worst one? Do we start with the worst one or the best one? Hey, JC. What? How did JC get... How did JC get chips for chatting, but she didn't chat? Unless she used foul language and it got removed. That's really weird. Is deal me in working? Yeah. Dealer 39. That's very interesting. 27. I want to see what happened there. That is some strong filtering. Okay, NQ bouncing off the previous day's close. Is anybody surprised? Oh, so St. Joker, if you're still there, I'm wondering. So I got my master accounts started in the morning. What would you say? I don't even know. Start with the one that's doing the worst, or start with the one that's doing the best? Some strange reason I get start with the one that's doing the worst. And here's why. If I do poorly in it, I feel less bad. And if I do well in it, I'm happy because it brought it back up. It's catching up to the others. So it's kind of like a win-win situation. Okay, I think I answered my question. Start with the one that's doing the worst. Yeah. Not enough people in here yet. I got your meme finally. I love it. I hope you like it. I'll play it later. Okay, so number 11. We want to select our instrument, MNQ09. We're not going to trade Bitcoin. Hey, I don't know if you were around. If you heard Bitcoin. I mean, I don't even know if you trade it, if you're looking at it at all. I think it's a super steady instrument to trade. It just chugs along like the little train that could and moves on, on its merry way. It has really long stretches. Sorry, none of the daily. With just small retraces, and then when it changes direction, it just does the same thing, doom, 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 just like stair steps on these long runs, doom, 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 doom. I don't find NQ does that. Anyways, that's not the point. Apex, the commission in Apex is 257 or 267 per side. That's 257 to enter, 1 micro, 257 to get out. So $5.20 or 40 cents, something like that, $5.60, just for a round trip. BULENOX, no commissions in Bitcoin. Is that crazy, eh? Same thing, same spread, same everything, no commissions. I wonder why Apex is ripping you off like that. Okay, so in keeping with that spirit, I don't want to overtax the system. So we will do two evals. 1, 2. Hold on. Yeah, I'll do 3 evals. Okay, I hope it works. Keeping my fingers crossed. Hey, actually, you know what? Let's copy this, duplicate in new tab. So the same thing, and let's change the instrument to Bitcoin, and let's do a Bitcoin test for one contract. It's Bitcoin 07, right? Bitcoin, BTC, MBT 07. Oh, I had the wrong symbol. I had BTC. It's MBT. Then I would have complained it didn't work. Oh, I need lights. Hey, my son. I always love to hear from my son. Is my mic off? Is that why my son is... Hello? No, mic is on. Okay. Oh, you're laughing at the video? Nightbot draws 4. Dealer draws high number. Let me do deal me in. I got a little time to kill still. Dealer 10. I think I lost the first one. All right, I didn't even try it. We'll start now. Best out of 5. I don't think I lost the best out of 5 yet, or maybe just once. Control, copy. 1-0 me. Futures floor draws high number. Best out of 5. 1-all. Dealer 40. 99. 2-1 me. Best out of 5. I only have to win 1 in the next 2. Dealer draws 99. What are the odds I draw 100? 2-all. It's always like this. It's always 2-all. And the last one. What's my day going to be like? 24 versus... it means be really careful. Trade carefully. That's what Deal Me In just told me. Are you going to do the best out of 5? Joker 92. It's a draw. Whoa! Quit now. You just hit jackpot 25x. Do I have a jackpot? I have a jackpot meme. It's not set up. Because, no. Oh, wait. Cancel. Plus. Media. Add audio. There we go. You hit the jackpot. 92 versus 92. Cool. I missed this long trade. It would have been a loser. I'm happy. Nothing finer than missing a losing trade. Market's opening in 5 minutes. Oh yeah, I said I wanted to take a practice trade. Well, we'll wait for a setup, I guess. I'm not going to just force it. Watching in Q, watching Bitcoin. I just need a place where I can watch gold. Although gold traded at 7 a.m. It's too bad. That would have been a nice one. I still would have been holding it. Okay, so Bitcoin is a likely candidate, or my other likely candidate will be NQ. Let's change it to master there. No ATM. What is the ATM anyways? I think it's a 40/40. Yeah, cancel. No ATM. Or maybe ATM if I'm trade copying. Yeah, let's tax the system. Let's see what happens. I'm going to have to copy the orders. Oh, we got another long entry. Let me change my cursor. It's running away without me. 250, 41. It's already halfway there. It's a 10-point TP. Well, let's try the one lot and see how it copies. Boom! Wow, that was an insta copy. Why can't it always be like that? Why does it have to be stupid all the time? Let's check if the orders are in for all of them. Yeah, working, accept it. Oh, wait a minute. There's one that's working still. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 working. And 1, 2, 3, 4 accepted. Positions. Oh, 928. I didn't realize that. I hate taking a trade. At 928, the imbalance report comes out. Anyways. I'm on positions. That's the first time I can honestly say that's the first time it was instant. That was actually how they show it in their videos. Instant. Usually when I'm copying to 4 counts, it goes like that. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's like it fills one and says, okay, let me go to the other one. It's like it's drinking coffee and taking care of it slowly. It's living on grease time, you know, when you're in the cafe taking it easy. That's how my copy trader works. Take it easy. Okay, so I do think we're going up to 80 at some point during the day. We do have VWAP right there also. Let's take a quick look again at, well, we can easily sweep the London lows and sweep Friday's close also, eh? So we're kind of in between there and VWAP. Market will go touch one of them if only we knew the future. Okay, so I'm gonna do a market order. Boom.
Order canceled.
Nope, this time it didn't go out. This time it went out. Boom, 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 boom. And that was a market order. Oh well. Okay, my first trade on Topstep is a short. My other trade on here to Renko's is a short. So let me get ready to short, and it will be a 3 lot. I'm not sure if I want to short. Markets are showing strength off that bounce off. Markets are open. Okay, cool. We got above. We got above, we got above, we got above, and we got above. All the trade copies worked.
Order canceled.
Gotta get out. What chip? Deal me in. I'm not risking taking a loss on that. They're all out. It ticked my TP. And unfortunately came all the way back, and I didn't want to take the chance. Still watching Bitcoin, still watching gold, but focus mostly on this. $280. There we go. There's your 50% trade. I mean, your 80% trade. We took out the Asia highs, so that's it. Last week, it happened 2 or 3 times. Only once it didn't come true. And so far today, we're 1 for 1. Next, we're watching, I guess, the 2-minute ORB. Bitcoin's going to stop me out. There's the 2-minute ORB scary warning. Whoa, my God. We're in the third minute and we're only 11 points. The ATR is only at 11. Ouch. Ouch.
Order canceled.
What's up, Sparky? Sparky did one meow. That's long. So the two longs worked. This long didn't work. The ones that I mark off, this one worked nice, easily for a 1-to-1. This one worked nice for a 1-to-1. Oh, you know what I wanted to see? The 6 o'clock. The 6 o'clock 2-minute ORB we were talking about last week. 1, 2, and closed, and it worked nicely again. Well, we'll keep watching it. Bitcoin got out. See, I'm not watching Bitcoin close enough. Bitcoin will have to run on automation because I'm not watching it close enough. Let's try a small trade here just for a 1 lot. I'm watching. My stop is around 90. I mean, I got an emergency stop at 86, but I'll hit the ask. Everything is working fine on my copier. Although, not crazy about this one because we do seem to be running out of steam.
Order canceled.
I'll get out. Everything is good. We're running out of steam. The momentum slowed down. 12 points of range on the 1-minute candles. I guess that's not a time to try and take a momentum trade, whether it works or not. I'm going to go for the longer trades. So I got time. We need a bit of a retrace. I don't know, minimum to the 280. A little bit under the 280 level. Bitcoin's got to come down under 480. So I have time. Gold, forget it. I'm late on this one. Gold's got to reverse. It's got to get under the bands. And I'll take a short in gold for hopefully a reversal. Fuck you. Renko's still chugging up. Bitcoin might give a trade. Watching Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin ran. Didn't get in time. Gonna try a short. I am so far away from a short, but we are coming. We bounced. I see it. I see it. A bounce right off the previous day's high. I'll join you on that. This seems to be an obvious trade. For a one lot can't cause so much damage. I would have been happier to have taken it right on the previous day's close. I think I would have almost been a target now.
Order canceled.
Let's just get out early. And add, hey, good morning, Skeletor. Unfortunately, again, since I'm not really following Bitcoin that close, I got in late. Let me just show you the Bitcoin entry. The Bitcoin, we got into the bands and we started a continuation move. So we're just going to let this one run. Gold, nothing. Let's get back to NQ. Take a look at the 30-minute. Tighten it up a bit. We're at all-time highs, I think. Yeah, we're at all-time highs. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. A little bit more, and Bitcoin taking a partial. So this is a strong day. Oh, it's true. Got to do it every day. Even though I see the equalizer lights going up and down. Let's do the sound check. Equalizer lights going up and down. Perfect. I'm going to do it one more time. I don't do it too often anymore. Sound settings, we should be at 88 on the microphone. Perfect. Suddenly it's not moving anymore. Hmm.
Floor, futures floor, futures floor. Good morning.
Hold on, you're coming in way too long, way too loud. I don't mean way too loud, but you're coming in double. I don't know why. I tried. Yep, it was a good attempt. I have a browser open somewhere. Hold on. Okay. Speak and forever hold your peace.
Speak and forever hold your peace. I have no peace this morning.
Okay. You don't
Fighting
need
with that
peace.
damn ninja trader.
That damn ninja trader. Well, what's going on?
I don't know if you remember, but Friday they deleted the candles on. They erased the candles on the chart.
Yeah, I remember.
Today I show up and the candles are missing on a different chart, my main chart. Then I go to the chart that was missing Friday. The candles are there, but all the bots are gone.
Yeah. That's weird. That's weird. If you would have told me that's happening in Prism or OBS, I would say that's just a regular day, par for the course. But for it to be happening in NinjaTrader, that's kind of weird.
So luckily I had 2 of the 4 saved. So struggling around trying to recreate the other 2. I still don't even know if they're right. Fuck it. What can you do? Give it your best shot and hope for the best.
There you go. Y'all been to prison? That is a funny question. No, I haven't been to prison, and I hope I never will.
Been to prison? Who the hell's asking that question?
Wood chip, that's hilarious.
Order canceled.
Y'all been to prison?
Was there even a good morning first?
No, no.
Y'all been to prison? Never been to prison.
You see,
I heard
it's the beard.
It's fun.
It's the beard. You got to get rid of the beard.
I don't even have any prison tats. Now I'm gonna have to get some prison tats.
Okay, we got out of a piece of Bitcoin. That's cool. Let me just mark it in there. You see, the 5 lot was taken out over there. We're up 135 points from entry. Let's get back to NQ.
I do have a bunch of holes in my belly, and sometimes I tell people it's from prison fights.
Yeah, gunshots. Holes in the belly. I don't want to ask.
Sometimes I tell them it's from a bar fight. Bar fight, prison fight. Shit, it was one of them. I don't remember.
What's it really from? That's what I want to know. Forget the made up story. I want to know the truth.
But isn't the made up story better?
It could be, maybe. I don't know. Not if the truth is about aliens. An alien abduction, no.
All right, the truth is either about aliens or something called a laparoscopic nephrectomy.
Wow.
You'll have to figure that out on your own. I'm not going to tell you the simple term.
A laparoscopic. Well, laparoscopic, that's the surgeries they do. I think when they do it with the cameras. Come on, let's go.
Can't confirm or
Order
deny.
canceled.
My official story is a bar fight or a prison fight. I don't remember.
You don't want to go with the alien?
Or the alien. Alien, that could be true also.
Because when you're abducted by an alien, they're always doing tests on you.
Oh, and to just fuck me a little bit more this morning, Prism tried to mute me again, but I caught it.
Well, again,
I don't know why it's doing that.
Is it Prism or is it your line 7 thing? Wow, nice chart.
Line 6.
Line 6. Did you get your 2-minute trade in?
I did.
Nice. I didn't take it again. My alarm went on.
Long trade. Didn't make much money, though.
How can it not have made much money? I'm looking at your chart on your stream. It's a dynamite stick. It's a firework straight up. Prison muted you.
Yeah, I started the stream off, and I even checked everything, make sure nothing was muted because they got me the other day. Everything was good. Got to be something with that video.
Mm-hmm.
And I started talking, and I seen the meter was grayed out. I'm like, what the heck's going on?
Mm-hmm.
Shit, we're up 135 points straight up.
Are we?
Who did that?
152.
That's not even including the pre-market.
NQ's up 152. Gold and 152. Gold's up $45.
I got 160 for
Bitcoin,
going pre-market.
Bitcoin is up $1,350. If you would have bought 1,000 Bitcoins on Friday's close, you would have made $1 million by now.
I would just like to have the money to buy 1,000 Bitcoins. Shit, I live a simple life. Just give me the money to buy the damn Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's what you need for that. That's 100,000. $1 million. You need $100 million for that. Shit.
What was that song? Ooh, take the money and run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are some mega millionaires from Bitcoin. the early days who held on, the miners and stuff, when you would mine Bitcoin. And so this is how the system is supposed to be holding. We just keep holding and holding. And when we extend about 30, 20, 30, 40 candles away from my entry, I'll consider getting out. If not, we just hold. I'm going for runners.
You put good morning, Jose. I don't see Jose.
No, I just got it in. I just got it out of the way. Just like I set up your camera and the speaker before you came in.
I got yours set to where I just turned the board off and you're automatically there.
Yeah, but I don't remember. That's the problem. So now I have this. Remember I showed you yesterday?
Oh, the card, yeah. I got another trade.
But I didn't want to... Oh, go? 2
out of my 4 chances to blow my account.
Yeah, stop saying that. It's depressing. It's discouraging. 2 out of 4 chances to pass in one trade. What's with the glass is half empty all the time?
No, I don't pass in one trade. I blow it in one trade.
Well, you don't have to say that. You can,
I thought it was more interesting.
Nobody knows.
Keeps people on the edge of their seat. I mean, the trades don't last but half a second. You gotta come up with something to keep them interesting.
Wow. If you guys would see Topstep, this is a 220 to 380 run with that one candle changing the bearish.
I'm actually kind of mad that I didn't blow the account Friday. I could be starting a new account.
Yeah.
I feel like that's what's going to hurt me. I feel like I got to up the contracts.
Take a look at this run, this bounce off the previous day's close on the NQ. Woo! Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm going to catch some runs like this now. I'm going for the bigger runs. Not exclusively.
The prison system muted me.
The prison system.
Nope, never been to prison. I'm getting orders left behind. I'm going to have to talk to GPT about that.
Well, I'm trade copying to 3 accounts. One more try, and I'm very nervous, so very wary. Let's just put it that way.
They got me nervous.
So I'm watching my positions tab very closely. I did it pre-market, and it was instant. As soon as I went in, I don't even remember if I went in with a market order or a limit, whatever, but it was instant. Boom! All 4 were filled at one shot. Then when I got out, it wasn't. It was boom, 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 boom. Hey, butter stunts. But wait, it gets worse. And then when I did another trade, it was boom. Like I limited out. I went on the offer. I'm selling on the offer. Yep. It went through it. It was 3 points above already, and it still didn't get out of the other trades. It got out of them slowly. And I bet it didn't give me a good price, a better price. Yeah. Did you see this? Look at this on the Ninzarenkos. Hoo-wee. And
great job for anybody that took that long, huh?
Yeah, that wouldn't have been for me because we're below the bands, but I am using the new Butterbands logic. I call it Butterbands, I don't know, basket beater or something, and it's to catch these moves here. It's the one. Oh yeah, okay. You were watching the what do you call it? The back testing. You were watching the back testing video or stream, and it's to catch these moves. Long moves now. I got one going in Bitcoin. The entry was here, but I got in a little bit late. Yeah, basically it's I'll give you a quick tour. Let me do this. When you get below the bands, you wait for it to touch the bands and then continue. You short and you just ride it. And you hope for a long move. So and the best case scenario is that you go back into the bands early instead of like late over here. I think NQ I missed a really good one. No, gold. It's gold. Look at the gold trade. Oh no, okay, it wasn't. I thought it was early. It wasn't early, but it really ran from 73 to 02, $30.
Mike, what do you have for open range high?
Is it that time already?
Passed it.
349.50 around there. I mean, 349.50.
Really? Okay.
Well, you're off. You may be off by a minute. If you're off by 1 minute, you're going to have it at 370 because of that extra candle.
Well, I have 348.50 on my volume chart, but then on my trading view, if I go to a 1 minute chart, I got 945 at 370.
Oh, well, that's wrong. That's wrong. No, that's wrong. You're including the 945 candle. On TradingView, if you see 945, that's 945 to 946. That candle shouldn't be included. TradingView marks the time at the start of the candle, not the end of the candle. All platforms mark the start of the. Only NinjaTrader decided to be different and mark the candles with the ending time.
Why can't they all just get their shit together?
No, it's just that was just stupid. That's such a stupid decision. I don't.
So if I'm looking at the chart and it says 945, that's the wrong candle.
On TradingView. On TradingView, yeah, that's you're done already. It's closed. That's 945 and beyond.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
Okay.
that is the 945 candle.
Yeah.
That's the candle that formed. That is, for me, that's the 945 candle, not 945 ending time.
You're right.
Or maybe we're just used to it. Maybe if they all would have used the ending time and Ninja would have used the starting time, I would have screamed at them also. Who knows?
Hell, it's Monday. Who knows what the hell's going on?
Wait, Ninja marks the end time of the candle. Yep. Not the beginning. They're the only ones that do it. So all your ranges, all your initial balances, and your opening ranges, especially if you're using 1 minute, 2 minute, they're all off. If you didn't know that, you're using the wrong times.
Could see a buy entry here, but we are going into a pivot point.
You're right, and I have it. Click buy at 80. Let me get in at 79.50.
Somebody didn't sneak in my house and set my charts up for me.
80, 76.66. Let me sell one just to reduce the risk. Well, every time you say the word pullback, I hear the word poobah from the Flintstones. Yeah, the Grand Poobah. There we go. Way to go. Excellent.
Good morning. Yes, these are 2 minute candles. Yes, on TradingView.
They're just 1 minute off.
1 minute off.
Pow! Right in the kisser!
Don't tell him.
You know I can hear you, right?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, the main chart, Tom, is 2 minute candles. The NinjaTrader chart is a 2600 volume chart.
Joker, you still in the channel? Give me a target. Give me a trade. Give me a something. Give me a bias. Give me anything.
Chart said what it was.
Even if it's just one little sentence, like I think we're gonna just trade higher all day, or
have to work on my volume chart. Needs to say what the chart is.
yeah, give him some free money, Joker.
Free money? Hell, I want some free money.
Yeah, we all want free money.
I ain't doing no prison type of shit for it, though. Too old for that shit.
Yeah, that's got to be scary for people that are facing stuff like that. I mean, you know, if they deserve it, to hell with it. But imagine all the innocent people that have gone to prison. And look, it's a low percentage, but still. Imagine all the people, innocent people, have been thrown in jail.
Might be higher than you think it is.
Yeah, I don't know. I have confidence in the judicial system for regular people. I don't have confidence in the judicial system for, especially now in the political. You know what? You know, when they went after Trump, you're no above the law, and they started charging him and indicting him.
Yeah.
I could not believe it. I said, you bunch of fucking idiots. Do you realize the Pandora's box you just opened? Because from that moment on, from now until eternity, that's going to be the norm now. Whatever party is in power is going to be going to indict the other party when they're not in power.
It's all theater.
It will never go away now. Yeah, but I wouldn't go into politics anymore. That's it. That's it. It's just not worth it anymore. Now, you know, you got to pay lawyer fees. And look, there's Letitia James and Fannie Willis.
So you said you had faith in the justice system. So what if I told you that 90 to 95% of people don't get a trial in the United States?
I don't know what that means. You mean they plead? They plead?
Right. They're forced to take a plea.
You're not forced.
You are forced.
But what? By how? By gunpoint?
Well, first off, if you can't afford a lawyer, how are you going to go to trial?
Well, they give you one, no? I see that in the movies all the time. If you cannot afford, when they read your Miranda rights, if you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you.
From the prosecutor's office?
Is that bad?
Really? You call that a lawyer?
Is that bad? So they're rigging the game, huh?
I'd rather hire a fifth grader.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, the game is definitely rigged.
Well, look, okay. The game can be now rigged, dirty, unfair. But again, you're a deep thinker, I've realized. You like quantum physics. You think about these things. There's no system. There's no system you would create, even you or me or someone impartial, that would be perfect. You realize that, right? There's no way to create a perfect system.
I think we had a system that was as close to perfect as you can get, and that's just following the Constitution.
Mm-hmm. Oh, man, I missed the trade. I missed the winning trade.
Yeah, I called it out, too.
Did you really?
Yeah, so we have another entry.
Well, you didn't say it loud.
Pivot point.
Did you whisper it? You whispered it.
I did. I shouted it.
Maybe your mic was off.
Where's the bullhorn? Let me find the bullhorn. I got one for the kids.
Just for supper's ready, I hope, right? Come down to dinner when they're all upstairs.
There it is. Volume up.
Yeah, I need my my Nightbot message. Don't be distracted. Can't afford to miss trades, especially now with this crazy low volatility. There's only 7 trades in a day now.
Kids get too loud, I pull out my bullhorn on them.
Hmm.
It's on my phone. It's not a real bullhorn.
Well, after a run like that, I don't think I'm going to go long the dip into the bands. So I missed it. Same thing on gold. I'm not going to go long the dip in the bands.
The hourly look like. Still at all-time highs? Back up to new all-time highs?
Sure, yeah. 23,400.
Get it? I see stuff like that, and I just think at least some of my accounts are making some good money.
Mm.
So I do need to go offload some stocks.
Is that your way of saying you have to go to the bathroom, or did you mean it like literally?
Why you gotta use the bathroom?
No, you said you got
223.
you said you got to offload some stock. So I'm saying, was that your way of saying that you got to go to the bathroom? Okay, we got a trade. Hold on. Clicker trade. And I'm back to the clicker. Had a long talk with GPT. You didn't get my bathroom joke?
Trades.
01.
When you have
a moment, when you have a free moment. I don't want to bother you while you're trading. Lay some cable.
What is it?
Lay some cable. What did you say?
No.
Offload some stock.
Oh, God.
Reduce, move green. I like that one. Sometimes green. No, move brown.
Move brown,
like
sometimes green.
I like that one.
I never heard any of those.
Reduce the inventory.
Tom R., can you explain your trades when you have them? I guess that says.
Who is that? Who's
Tom R.?
Tom R. Hey, Tom R.
Or Tom, whatever you want to call him.
Time,
whenever you have time. Okay.
Don't forget time.
I can, yes.
Don't forget to smash the like button. Did I smash the like button? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I did that.
New
If I
experiment.
smash it again, it'll unlike.
How do you can smash your own like button?
No, I smashed yours.
I love your screen. I really like your screen there with the, the video on the top corner and stuff. I like your layout. How much are you going to charge me for it?
That's the new one. Yeah, I like that.
How much are you going to charge me to copy it?
Give it to a GPT.
Oh, I can do that on my own. Quickly. I'll just get that from Canva. I'll get something like that.
Tom, basically, I look at the 2-minute chart for direction. I want to look at above or below the momentum line. Try to see a pullback.
Poobah.
Which
Drop the kid in the pool. That's the best one. Well, the kid, not the kids. Kids if you have diarrhea.
Might be. We have been sick lately.
Are you making nuggets? Yeah, my daughter is in Cuba. She has the runs.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it even prevented her from going out one of her days.
Oh, God.
Stuck in the room. It was that bad. Well, they're not giving them bottled water. They're giving them water now in glass containers. You get some employee that doesn't give a shit. He opens the tap. He doesn't want to do it the hard way. He's lazy, anything.
Why are they not giving them bottled water?
I don't know. Either they ran out at the hotel or it's some new policy. I don't know. I'm guessing they ran out at the hotel and this is cheaper.
Save plastic?
I don't know. I don't think so. No, it's not the food. She watches what she eats. She's not, she has, bland food. Eggs in the morning, just the pork or the meat. Spraying mud. Nothing will beat drop the kid at the pool. Or drop the kid in the pool.
Yeah, I was explaining. So yeah, Tom, basically looking for the candles to be above the momentum line for longs, below it for shorts, pullback, and then I use the volume chart for entry. A video on that if you want to go watch it.
8701.
2600 volume chart.
Entered at 01. I am long at 0050, a little bit better. Let me remove, I don't know. Let me lower my stop. It's in a bad place, eh? Not the stop. What's in a bad place is the entry. I currently taking the Browns to the Super Bowl. Super Bowl. Yeah, that one's good too.
Browns went to the Super Bowl again?
No, Super Bowl, the Super Bowl. You get it? The toilet. The Super Bowl.
I got it.
I have to explain every joke to you. This is...
I thought it was funny. I was laughing about it. God. Is the momentum line an EMA? No, it's not an EMA.
A 2.
It's like an EMA, but different. It's a momentum line.
You gotta do what you gotta do. 95, 94, around 94 I have to add.
I mean, you can use an EMA. Use like a 34 or a 50 EMA.
95, let's add over here at 95. Hopefully we get a little spray up. 450, 150, that's a good enough to lower my risk.
He said spray.
Spray. Spray the day.
Order canceled.
Check my positions. Long 10 in Bitcoin, we're good. I lost money on that. So what? I just don't like the trade because we're really... I mean, that's a beautiful trade. James would love that trade. I know James likes when we tighten up right at the top. And actually, so would that guy there. Cooper, Mel Cooper, or Al Cooper? Al Brown? That's a bullish pattern, but my brain interprets it as bearish. You see on the 1 minute, the way we're tightening up right against the high of the U.S. session?
What's that mean? That mean we're ready to go short?
I don't know. That means that the sellers are, for me, that means the sellers are going to start pushing it lower, but the intelligent me says, no, this is going higher. Al Brooks, that's it. Because they can't push it lower. The sellers aren't able to push it lower, and we're really hugging the top. But I got out. It made me nervous.
Al Brooks. Is he the one that did the trading in the zone, or?
Nah, trading in the zone, I think it was Mark Douglas.
Okay, then he's the one that did the patch trading system.
Al Brooks, yeah. I don't know. He's known for his scalping intelligence. He has.
Pretty sure he's the one that does the patch trading system, price action trading.
Yeah, price action trading. That would be him. That would make sense. Definitely.
That's him.
Yeah.
And then he sued some guys, some YouTube guys before.
Oh yeah.
Trying to steal a system. Two-legged pullback. I tried to sell a course on his two-legged pullback, and
well, they were stupid if they called it the same name. Former eye surgeon, no kidding. Just change the name. You can't not let people take trades the same moment you take a trade. It's not like
they were trying to sell a course and everything.
Yeah, well, that's it. They just needed to rename the trade.
I think the one guy just quit, and the other guy still does YouTube, but he makes a bunch of videos he steals from other people, and he's got like hundreds of thousands of subscribers.
Yeah. Oh,
there you go. All you gotta do is steal other people's shit.
Is he a former eye surgeon? Oh, I have no idea. So I was kind of, I mean, not that it matters, but I got out. I was right to get out.
Darren, good morning. This stream also runs on BULENOX TV channel. I don't think so. Mike, does your stream run on BULENOX YouTube?
No, yours does, though. You got picked up.
Did I?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Darren. What a fun way to spell Darren.
Oh, Darren. That's why I keep you around to help me pronounce names. Darren, did you see the stream on BULENOX? When you typed in BULENOX? Tell us about it. Let us know.
Yes. Send the link.
TV. Darren, Tom, everybody knows that the guy co-streaming his futures floor. And we're going to post a link to his channel.
He was. Yeah, he is. I just looked it up.
There we go.
Yes, can't do that. I see the mistake again. You know what? It's great. I'm learning all my mistakes. There we go. There's the first entry on the Renko. That would have been the first one, but it was so late. So late. We needed these to dip in earlier, and we could have been in at 276. It's 120 points.
I see your stream when I type in BULENOX.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, show me.
People also watch this guy, Futures Floor. Now I came across BULENOX and suddenly it reminded me of your channel. Sweet.
Isn't your middle name BULENOX?
We're like BULENOX. We just make more inappropriate jokes and have fun and hang out and talk about strategies and whatever else we talk about.
For instance, what's your favorite snack, Darren? Hey, I can't get into Nightbot. What happened?
What?
I can't get into Nightbot. Every time I click on Nightbot, it's opening up Discord. I guess they're doing some maintenance or something.
Dan, you looking for any trades? Tom, you looking for any trades? Tom said he's not in front of the chart. I guess on the phone. Maybe. Y'all looking at anything?
You even have your eyes open? Are you awake?
Sometimes I close my eyes. I had to close my eyes Friday when all my candles and everything disappeared. My chart went all wacky.
Yeah, that was weird. Never heard of that.
And isn't it crazy that it happened right when the market like dropped 100 points or something right before it? It's like, nah, you don't want to see this. Close your eyes. Think of happy thoughts. Oh, Darren's on the carnivore diet. There you go. That's what Mike's trying to do, I think.
Yeah, some kind of carnivore keto combination. But you heard what we did yesterday, eh?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Don't say it. What happened?
You know. Where did my wife want to go?
Pizza?
No, come on. Remember you said you were going to drive 18 miles? 18 hours for it?
Oh, ice cream.
Yeah.
I was tempted, but then I remember I stopped to go pee a lot and it turned into like 30 hours.
But okay, so we broke it. I'll confess we broke it. I will not lie. I will not tell a lie, as people who lie like to say a lot. I don't get why people ever use that expression. I will not tell a lie. Or I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I mean, the only person who actually says that is a person who's always lying.
Exactly. That's the one I always find funny.
I ain't
lying. Like, I didn't say you were lying. What are you talking about?
I never say I'm not lying. It doesn't even occur to me. But I guess it occurs to people who lie.
I see a huge ass green candle tells me to stay the fuck away. I hear that. What are you on, the hourly chart? This is almost just straight up, isn't it?
What is he on?
I don't know. He just said he sees these huge ass candles and tells him to stay away. That's kind of what it's telling me. Tom, I've been carnivore since 2019. Damn.
Wow.
Lost 70 pounds in 6 months. Changed my life.
Tell him to like show up or to stick around. I want to talk to him after. Not now. The markets are open. Got to watch. But 01, 95,
70
94.
and healthy. Hell yeah.
70. His age, or that's 70 pounds he lost?
People their age, so you'll have to ask that question. I'm just more looking at he said, but that's awesome.
Well, I got 70 pounds to lose.
Order canceled.
I can tell you that. Yeah, honestly, I don't get it.
Don't believe this generation crosses 40s and 50s in their future. No, a lot of people are dying in their 40s now. A lot of people in their 40s having heart attacks. Dr. Barry on YouTube. I have to look him up. What about who's the other guy? Dr. Bergman. You watch him? I don't know if he's a real doctor. I think he's a chiropractor.
So while I'm looking at the charts, it's Darren, eh? Right? That does that, the carnivore? Or is it the other guy, Tom R? Who's doing the carnivore? Hold on, let me catch up to speed here.
Yeah, Tom, look up Dr. Bergman. Let's see if I can find his channel, see if I can post the link.
Oh, it's
he's got a lot of funny stuff.
So he lost 70 pounds and he is 70, Tom R. Hey Tom, I'm curious what you eat. Do you only eat meat or you allow yourself dairy also? What about fruit? How many grams of carbs do you allow yourself in a day? And I have one more question. Sorry to bother you. Do you give yourself a cheat day like once a week or something? Or are you on it permanently? Oh, there's so many questions. But those are enough. Let's start with that. And then I'll hit you with my next 5. So, do you only eat meat or do you allow yourself dairy and fruit? And how many grams of carbs per day? Because you can't cut out carbs completely. It's impossible.
So wait, both of y'all do carnivore? Tom and Darren, right?
No,
hey, Tom, here's a link to Dr. Bergman's YouTube. He's got a lot of funny stuff, natural remedies and stuff. I actually got a friend of mine that drove like 30 hours straight to go see this guy.
Wow.
Cheat day, I just fast water only. Wait, so water's the cheat day?
I don't call that a cheat day. Chinese food, pizza. That's a cheat day for me. Maybe I wasn't clear.
Order filled.
Meat, eggs, butter, some cheese, no dairy, no fruit. Eggs, butter.
Yes, you can.
No cheese, no fruit. Meat, eggs. Eggs. Okay, so he allows himself eggs.
Yeah. What about vegetables?
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Canceled.
Sorry for screaming. I was long. Hey, I'm not going to complain. I just took it just before it did that.
Sweet.
Unfortunately, I had to do flat null because my trade copier fucked up, but still. Okay, that's it. 200 in my BX. Switch accounts.
Don rewards himself with some honey. So instead of ice cream, you can eat honey.
So really, no cheat day? No day where you, like, once every 2 weeks or a weekend where you let yourself have pizza?
He's grasping at straws.
No
like
pizza.
You either got to do it or you don't. I mean,
no, come on. What about everything in moderation?
Either all in or all out.
I can't do that.
I think the problem is that sugar is a preservative, so when you put it in your body, it's preserving the bad food you put in there.
Mm-hmm.
No sugar, everybody, no sugar. See, I think you got to get the sugar out of your body. I think at least for 7 days before you even start like receiving the benefits of not having it in there.
Mm-hmm.
See, people doing the 7 to 14 day challenge, no sugar. Remove inflammation and stuff like that. Let's see, I got behind on the chat. Reward myself with honey. All the eggs and bacon I can eat. See, that's a good, right? That's a plus.
Ah, that's keto style already. Now you're focusing on fat. Yeah, that's keto. I loved keto. We did really well on keto. We did it a couple of years ago. I was saying, why doesn't everybody do this?
Darren says, whoa, my ear. I had the volume at full. I hear you, Darren. My volume's even louder than yours.
Yeah, I think he's talking about my screaming. Well,
Fatty meats are the best. No sugar, all carbs become sugar.
shit, I just chased. I just did a FOMO.
Darren gets mad when he sees sugar. I feel like that's what I need to do is just completely cut out sugar.
How am I long a 4 lot?
Keep telling my wife we got to cut out sugar. But I will say it's hard when you have 2 kids.
Yep. Yep. I said that the whole time my kids were growing up to my wife. It's just too hard to lose weight now because we got 3 kids in the house and I'm the cook and I'm not cooking 2 meals.
I don't mind cooking the meals, but they should be on it also. We do try to limit the sugar the kids get. I limit them to 1 Gatorade a day or juice. So we don't let them just have a free-for-all. Of course, we got friends, and they give their kids sodas and candy all day long and donuts. And
Donuts?
I've seen one kid eating like 6 donuts with drinking a Pepsi.
Holy shit.
Like, y'all realize how much your kid would change if he didn't have all that in his system? Yeah, people around you. I think I'm from the Stone Age. That's great. Yeah, people don't understand. When my son was little, I had to fight with my grandma over giving him all kinds of cake and stuff. She's like, "What is cake? He likes it." Like, "Grandma, you done gave him 2 pieces. That's it." And she's like feeding him more cake. I'm like, "Give me the kid. Just give me the kid."
It's funny. My dad used to do same things, very similar. He used to chase them after they were finished eating. They'd get up. He would walk with the plate around the house to continue feeding them. It's like, Dad, leave them alone. It's enough. They're not hungry. They don't have to eat more. The problem is, for my parents, they came from war when they never had food. So
yeah, that's the same with my parents.
Yeah. So when you had food, you ate it.
Mm-hmm.
And he had that mentality. Actually, my aunts, they had that mentality.
So my dad grew up in the Great Depression. I got into a fight one time with him over a can of meat or something I threw away. I'm like, "Dad, look, I'll go. What does it cost? Like $1? I'll go buy you 5 of them." It's better than worrying about getting sick. I told them they were built different. Those older generations, they're just built different than we are. And the younger generation, they're not built at all. They're kind of left half finished or something.
Okay, let's try something.
You still looking at longs?
Me? Yeah. Along. Along.
Yes, it's still pushing. Hard for me to take a trade way up here.
Hopefully we'll get up to 15. If we get up to 15, I'll add. And hopefully once we get up to 15, we can get up to 22 and I'll get out. My stop, I really can't tell because it's hard to tell over here right now. Let me see where the stop would be. I can't tell. Sorry, guys. We have to get under these bands. Let's get up to 15. That's the first challenge. How about we call it that?
Well, my first challenge was showing up today and getting my Ninja Trader to work properly.
Mm.
My second challenge was getting Prism to work properly.
Oh, there you go. There. You see, that's where he misunderstood you. You said prism. He heard prison. I was wondering how the whole prison thing came up.
Okay.
There we go.
No, never been to prison.
I was wondering when did prison come up?
Yeah, I thought that was weird, but
9, 10. Let's go. 12, 13. Let's go. 15. I need 15. I need to see 15 on the bid. 12, 13, 13 and a quarter. Don't stall out on me now. Don't stall out on me now. 9. What's
scary?
Oh my God.
Kind of rounding up here.
8 points. Yeah, I know. I see it too. 8-point range on the 1 minute candles.
So ATR 10?
9 for me. 8, 9, 10, whatever, however you slice it. That's shitty.
I always forget I put it on my chart because I got it hidden.
Oh, okay.
I got it hidden behind another indicator. It just tells me the number.
Yeah.
I always forget about it.
Yeah, it's only for reference every now and then. 13. Come on, 15. Let's push to 15. 13 and a quarter, 13.50. That's a little new high. 14. 14 and a quarter, 14.50, 14.75, 15 and a quarter. Let's get in for another 2 lot. Now we got to get to 22. 22 is a 70% trade. I will sell 2 at 22. Sell limit. Let's hear the cash register ring. Let's go. Push. 18. Come on. Don't change direction.
I got to talk to GPT about my bot leaving stop orders.
Mm.
And then
That's
I want
funny.
to add the ATR also.
I had that same conversation with not ghost orders, but what do they call them? Relic orders, or orders that when the trade is finished, they need to be canceled, but Ninja Trader doesn't do that automatically, and they don't have a cancel all open orders function in the strategy builder. They do have it in the coding, but not in the strategy builder.
Yeah, it's weird. It would just leave the stop loss like that.
Yeah, I have no idea why they wouldn't put cancel all orders as a function in strategy builders. In strategy builder, because there are times when you enter in a buy limit, and if you miss it and it runs, you want to cancel it. You want the system to be able to cancel it, not just have it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. 22, 70%.
We're about to shoot up again, doesn't it?
Yeah. 70%. Come on. There we go.
Pow! Right
Tom
in the
says all
kisser.
that sugar is going to give you acne. Give the kids acne.
Sugar is the devil. Really, it is.
Well, it's a drug. They were going to outlaw sugar, and then they fought to keep it.
Inflammation, cancer, Alzheimer's. They say it's linked to so many things.
Sad that something that hurts us so much is in everything that we eat.
Mm-hmm.
What was your entry? Tom's asking what your entry was.
I got in originally at around 24.08, let's say. And then I added at 15 and got out at 22.
Tom, just so you know, Futures Floor is also live right now. I put the link a minute ago. We can put it again if you want to see his chart or anything going on over there. Also,
Tell him
go back and forth.
Tell him I'm a
If
master
anybody-
trader.
He's a master trader, and if anybody wants that, just type the exclamation mark FF, and that'll send you to him.
Tell him I master trade in the bathroom.
Don't scare him off before he even gets to your channel.
Tell him I master trade with my wife.
Yeah, that's on YouTube. The link should be the link right there.
Send him the link to my master trading video. That's more fun.
You have to do all that once it gets on your channel.
That's a lot of work.
Hey, post my link over there so that way when he goes over there, he can go back and forth if he wants.
It should be posted. Nightbot's supposed to be posting it automatic. Where is it? I don't see it. Yeah, I'll go and post it. Nightbot. I set up Nightbot to be doing it, though. Maybe it didn't register. I told you I was having problems with Nightbot. It was doing weird shit. Okay, let's just copy it.
I set mine up so I could put in exclamation FF and it'll post it.
Yeah, well, I don't know how to do those things. You're smarter than me.
On Nightbot.
What? There's hotkeys on Nightbot?
Yeah.
This is what Nightbot is supposed to be posting. I don't see it, though. That's the funny thing. And it's enabled. I'm looking at it right now. It's enabled.
Yeah, it acts funny.
But, yeah, I don't see it this time. Let me just check, make sure. Let me see if the link works. I click it, and yeah, it brings me to your live page.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
So we do stream together typically every morning for the morning session. If anybody wants to go back and forth, have links there for people to be able to do that.
Yep, but you have nothing better to do than to go back and forth between the two channels.
Well, if people, like he's asking, what's your entry? Like, what are you doing at the moment?
I know. I can't resist making jokes. Tell me when your speakers. Tell me when you're on my channel and your speakers are really high. I got some surprises for you. Well, today's a good day, basically. Trading my BULENOX accounts, 200, 200, 200, 200. Can't complain about that.
Not really liking this roundy top. Kind of.
I wouldn't call it a roundy top. We're not rounding over. We just slowed down. Where do you see it rounding? I mean, take a look at the 5-minute. Can't call that a rounding top.
No, 5 minute's not rounding at all, is it? Not
yet. Maybe 2 more bars. But yeah,
maybe I'm just hopeful because I don't want to go long.
Mm-hmm.
Now I think price action like this is just better to stay out of.
Mm-hmm.
How many contracts for $200?
How many points? It all depends.
Are you asking how many you can buy for 200 or how many do I do? I'm not sure about the question. If you're asking how many you can buy for $200, this is the MNQ. Don't mistake it for the NQ. On the MNQ, you could buy, it's what, $2 a point?
$2 a point, yeah.
So you'd have to...
A tick, $2 a tick. Or a point.
You said each trade was $200?
Me?
That's what he said, yeah.
No, I said I was up $200 on each account.
Okay, so he's up 200 on each account. That might be more than one trade.
Yeah, it's definitely more than one trade.
I think you normally trade about 5 contracts, right?
Me? Nah, 3 to 6 I try, but I scaled back a little bit because I'm watching my trade copier today. I'm a little nervous about it, so I scaled back a little bit. But yeah, 5. I'm supposed to be trading 5s. 5 lots.
Scale mine back down to 4. I generally like around 3 to 6. Sometimes if it's going real good, I'll set up an extra with for 9. How many points is your target? So my general target is 21 points, but we have not been meeting that lately. So I've been having to exit early.
Well, good job.
Lately,
I like
I've been
that.
getting, what, about 15? Mike, you normally go for around 10, right?
7 to 10, yeah. Which is kind of stupid because I get in sometimes earlier than you, and then you get in and you're going for 15. So
Yeah.
we need to communicate better. Use my entry, your exit, and we're killing it, man.
It's funny because we have 2 completely different strategies, but yet a lot of times we seem to get in around the same time, or he's always a few points ahead of me. But I got to trade my own strategy.
And then I get out, and you're saying, "Okay, I'm in." I said, "No, fuck. Why did I? Let me hold it. Let me hold it."
Oh, that reminds me, I scale down my points or quantity. Yes. Yes.
Hmm.
Yes. I hope Ninja Trader stops screwing with me. I even saved it as a different workspace and everything. Like, leave me alone.
So
Stop
Tom, I
messing my stuff up.
got one last question for you. At this point, if you're still doing it, is it hard to eat the same? To be so limited in your options and to keep eating it every day, or you kind of just get used to it? Like for me, to drink water is very hard. I'm a diet soda maniac. But I do know from experience when my wife really puts her foot down and doesn't let me buy it anymore, it takes about a week, and then I get used to the water and I drink it, not like it's poison or anything. That's maybe a little bit of an exaggeration, but I really don't like just plain water. But then I get used to it and I can drink it like it's like anything else.
The soda's poison.
Yeah, but it's got flavor.
I don't drink it near as much as I used to, and like not drinking it as much. Then I drink a Pepsi or something, and it like just tastes like pure syrup.
Well, I don't know. I mean, we don't drink a lot. Come on. Some people think it's a lot. We go through 1 2-liter bottle a day for the family. That's not a lot. That's 8 cups, and we're 5 people in the house. So I have most of it. So I probably have a liter a day. And then the other ones have the rest.
Speaking of drink, I'm gonna go re-up mine while y'all talk about sugar.
Is that sweet what you drink? Or is it taste like vitamins?
Let me grab another one, then I'll tell you about it.
Well, I'm going to try another trade over here. See if we get filled. Bidding, I think, 09. Hopefully it comes down a little bit. Doesn't run without me. So far, I think I'm bidding 09. I can't see. 0950. You're not going to come back. You're just going to run. Not nice. Not nice. Couldn't just give a tiny little vibration down and fill me, huh? Okay,
Order
that's
canceled.
6 points ahead. I can't stay in. Or maybe I can. See, it would have filled me. I canceled at the wrong moment. Where was the first entry? So the first entry was at 387. And that's the one that's still supposed to be held. Oh, look, I'm going to get a better price. Now I'm filled at 0550, 4 points better. Hey, can't complain about that, eh? You know what I'm afraid of, though? I've been getting caught every day in the rug pulls. Shit, the other day I got caught in I think it was a 50-point insta rug pull. Like we had an air pocket and we just collapsed in like a microsecond and a half a second. And I had a pretty big position on at the time. I was oversized, over leveraged. Of course, it always happens at those times. So it's not going to happen now because I'm not oversized. There's no rug pulls if you don't oversize. No, don't be going back down. You're going the wrong way.
All right, what'd I miss?
Nothing. It's going the wrong way. Wow, look at that gold trade. Fuck. Woo-wee.
Oh, you was asking me about the thing I drank. That tastes pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it doesn't taste like vitamins.
No, I had a little bit of a Gatorade to it because it don't have any kind of sugar or anything.
Yeah.
So to get my little bit of sugar fix, I had a little bit of Gatorade.
Is it expensive? Like it's a powder, I think. So you get like 30 servings for $30, or it's more expensive than that?
It's like $1 a piece.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
If you find it on sale, if it's not on sale, it's like $1.50.
You buy it off Amazon?
You can get it from Costco.
Oh yeah. What's it
You can
called?
get it from Costco. You can get it from Amazon.
What was it called?
It's called Zip Fizz.
Zip Fizz. Okay. And
Tom, you ever heard of Zip Fizz? It's like a vitamin water.
And it
supposedly they use all natural ingredients. Supposedly, I don't know how natural they are, but supposedly they don't use any kind of like food coloring and stuff like that.
Is it true it makes facial hair grow faster?
No, read the label. I knew you'd say that. I can't read the label because I'm blind and they write stuff too small.
You didn't know I was going to say that. Come on, I'm not that predictable.
I was talking about Tom. He's like, read the label. I'm like, hold on, let me get one, see what I can read.
You know what I love? I love when they make a red label, a dark red label in black lettering. Or a black label in dark red lettering. And I'm talking dark red lettering, not like red that pops out. One, I'm colorblind. But even if I'm not colorblind, that's almost impossible to read. These guys, I don't know who does that. It's almost like a practical joke when they do nonsense like that.
What's the joke?
Oh, I'm saying it's like a practical joke when companies use a black label and put dark red lettering. You know, the background is black and the lettering is dark red. You're like, it's almost the same damn color.
Yeah, this one's white with black writing, but they got so many. Like, you see this thing here and it's got like 20-something vitamins.
Well,
so the writing's so small.
This is what you need on your desk at all times.
A magnifying glass? I think I got one on my phone.
A magnifying glass with a light. See, the light's killing the green screen. I keep this on my desk. Can you see it? It's a motherfucker.
I think I'm getting there. Where the hell's my magnifying glass?
We have a short. Fast.
Of course, you can't find it when you're looking for it.
Yeah, come on, I gotta get in. Put in my what are we at here? 97, 12, that's 15 points.
Can't find it.
No, I don't want to be late on this trade. I don't want to risk 15 points either. Shit damn, come on. Go the other way.
Are you long? You can't be long.
No, short. Short. I want to go short. There we go. I want to get a little bit of a better price so I can use my clicker. I'm saying every time you enter a trade, it goes against you. But when you miss a trade, it just never thinks about coming back. But anyways, I got in.
Tom, I can't really read the label, but It's got a whole bunch of vitamins. Vitamin A, C, E, B.
Magnesium,
bunch of other
potassium.
stuff.
Oh,
Yeah, it's got all that.
I asked you about the magnesium and the potassium. I remember now.
I'd be better off Googling it.
Mm.
How many carbs? I don't think it has any carbs. I don't know.
Yeah, really? I don't think that's serious.
I had to look it up. I'm going to their website.
He can zoom in on the browser.
It's bad I got it right in front of me. I need to go to the website. Like, where's the...
Sir, do you know how fast you're driving? I can't read this. I can't read the signs on the side of the road.
You know what I always tell them when I say that? Say I'm going to speed limit.
Mm. I have to go to the Department of Transportation website and check what the speed limit is.
Let's look at the watermelon, because that's a good flow. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Nice big letters and everything. My goodness. Can I put this over here?
I'll go for watermelon.
Look at that.
Woo!
There we go.
That's a thing of beauty. Serving size, 1 tube. A tube? What's a tube? Calories, 20.
There.
Ah, they come in separate tubes. Like you pour one tube in what? In 500 ml? 2 cups, a liter, a cup?
Like either 20 ounces or 40 ounces.
Okay.
Actually, what I do is I like split it in half, and so I'll like do that cup there.
Okay, and this here
and
that
I had a little, because I had a little bit of a Gatorade to it, but.
And this here that I'm seeing on your website, this is scratch and sniff?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
So let's see, total carb. So that's what you were asking, right? Was that 2 grams? 2 carbs?
About 20 calories is nothing.
Order
20
canceled.
calories, 2 grams of carbs, less than 1% daily value.
20 calories is nothing.
Vitamin B6, B12, calcium, magnesium, zinc.
Shit, you didn't tell me B6.
All kinds of cool shit.
Now I'm buying it for sure.
Actually, we're sick right now, and it's probably the only thing that keeps me going.
Me, it's
A
master
little bit
trading.
of caffeine. Wife don't like that it's got caffeine in it. I don't know. Maybe they'll do a non-caffeine version one day. And then there's your ingredients.
Caffeine actually, all joking aside, acts as an accelerant sometimes for certain things. Like I'm taking L-theanine in the morning.
Yeah. Well, I think the caffeine is the green tea.
Okay.
Green tea somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Green tea extract or something. I don't know. I don't see it. He says I would not drink that. Uh-oh. What's the bad part?
Well, it's not necessarily that it's bad, I think. Well, no, it's true. Maybe the way he said it was, yeah. I was going to say maybe it just doesn't meet the levels. Like my wife wants to buy a powder, but it's like crazy high in magnesium and potassium.
Wait, you wouldn't drink it because of 2 carbs? Is that the 2 grams of carbs?
Mm. Possible. You know, if he's only allowing himself 20 grams of carbs in a day, that's 10% of his allowance. Carbs add up
That's
fast.
true. That's true.
When you're restricting yourself to 20, 30 grams, you got to count every one.
He says no carbs. 0.
Wow. That's impressive.
That is impressive.
Yeah.
But I still got to have my zip fizz, so I have to put mine at 2. Or I might drink 2 a day, so I might have to put it at 4.
Well, the only way I can do this kind of diet, or at least a high protein diet, is I got to have my cottage cheese. Because, one, I really like it, and it's high in protein, so it just It solves all my problems. And again, you don't have to cook it. You just pull it out of the fridge. It's convenient.
I saw one yesterday. I was thinking about you. It was like a cottage cheese wrap.
Yeah. Oh, they make cookies. My daughter makes cottage cheese bagels. They're fantastic. So people are discovering all these things you can make with cottage cheese, which is like simulates bread.
Yeah, they were like cooking it with cheese or whatever, and like making it like a bread.
Yeah.
And the lady was saying all your protein and everything's already there, so it don't really matter what you put in it, as long as it's healthy.
Holy shit! I think you were watching the same damn video I watched. Was it a girl with black hair? Do you remember?
I don't know.
Was the thing the size of like large?
Rolled up like a burrito.
Yeah. Did she put it in the middle, but then moved it over to the side, and then like said, "Oops, I made a mistake." Dumbass. She called herself a name and then moved it over to the side to roll it.
So.
We saw the same one. She speaks.
Oh no, she put the food in the middle.
Yeah. That's it.
And then moved the food to the. Yeah, that was the video. Yeah.
Holy shit! So we saw the same one.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, I should send that to Mike.
Well, no, we have all these recipes. I told you, my daughter makes cottage cheese bagels. They're insane. I swear to God, they're as good as bagels from the store. You wouldn't know it's a bagel without flour. I swear to God, I'm not joking. You wouldn't know it. It's unbelievable what cottage cheese does.
Tom, Darren, sometimes around 11 o'clock, we'll open up the chat for Discord. If one of y'all have a mic or something, y'all want to come on chat for a little bit, you're welcome.
Don't have to turn on your camera. Actually,
you don't have to have a camera or anything. If you just want to come on, chat about something, talk about the diode or the candles or whatever you want.
Actually, nobody turns on their candle.
Yeah, really, nobody turns their camera on. So you don't have to worry about a camera. Just as long as you have like a laptop or something, a microphone, and you want to come on and chat for a little bit, you're welcome.
Yep. Boom. Do I want to take that? Yeah. Not really.
Forgot to take my shirt off.
You taking your shirt off? What did you forget to take off? I heard you say you forgot to take your shirt off.
No, I'm not taking my shirt off.
Today's not Shirtless Monday, is it?
One day we're going to do a challenge between me and you, and the bet's going to be the loser's got to stream with their shirt off.
I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't even walk in front of the mirror and look at myself.
Tom says, not me. I will be leaving soon. Getting auto repair. I got you. One day, stop by the stream or by Mike's stream and you feel like chatting for a little bit, just let us know.
Yeah, I'm getting auto repairs too. We brought our car to the garage this morning. I got to do my brakes. I love doing the brakes.
Oh, God, I told you my brake story.
Every time you do the brakes, you always have to change. Never do I get to just change the pads. Oh, your discs also. One time, can you say it's just the pads?
Yeah, right. Oh, we got to do the rotors. Oh, we got to do the...
Yeah, the calipers. And now the new thing is the calipers. All of a sudden, my calipers are seizing. And then my daughter's car, the calipers. She has a new car. Somehow her calipers seized also.
Oh, the new thing is now you got to do a brake flush. I saw that. I was like, what the heck's a brake flush? Of course, they got me on it, too. Like, okay, you need a brake flush. That's $150. They know how to get their money, don't they?
Honestly, I have a theory. My theory is when you go to the garage, they gently weaken something else so that it breaks in a little while, and they give themselves more business. Because it's amazing how many times I go to the garage and then 2 weeks later something else goes.
Tom, a few weeks ago, I was about an hour away from my house and had brake issues. had to go to a shop. We spent all day there for them to do all kinds of brake work. And then when it was time to go, it was time for them to close. So they hurried up and rushed us out of there. And they didn't bleed the brakes properly. So we leave there, we ain't got no brakes. I'm in a truck, got the family with me, 2 kids, pulling a trailer full of furniture. Hour away from home, I had to drive home with no brakes.
How exciting is that? Now that'll get your blood pressure skyrocketing.
I had to push the brake all the way to the floor, and all it would do was like slowly slow down. I was like, shit, I'm just going to take the interstate, and hopefully everybody else is in a hurry, and they just keep going faster than me. Stay out of my way. Luckily, they had a sister shop about 5 minutes from my house, so I didn't have to take it all the way back. I took it there, and the guy's like, "You don't have no brakes?" I'm like, "Yeah, I don't have no brakes." He's like, "They're just not working properly." Like, what is? I'm like, "They don't work at all. Like, you push it all the way down, you don't stop. You just kind of slow down a little bit." Yeah, they didn't bleed it correctly. I think what it was, they did the back brakes, and they also did a brake flush. So maybe they bled the back brakes, but not the front. And then some young kid took it for a test drive, and he comes back and he's like, "Well, your brakes are kind of soft, but I guess those vehicles are just like that." I told him, no, they're not. What are you talking about? I never had soft brakes. Of course, they was ready to leave. It was a Saturday, 5 o'clock. Actually, it was about 5:30. It was already late. But we made it. And I had to go over a bridge. So I'm going over this bridge, and I'm like riding the brake. I got the brake all the way to the floor going down the bridge. Kind of praying the car don't stop in front of me.
Handbrake. Wouldn't the handbrake work in emergency if you needed it?
The emergency brake?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it would. I don't know. I didn't try it. I never had to use it.
Yeah. I think it would have in case of emergency. Exactly.
I was telling my wife, I'm like, "You got one job. If I'm about to crash into somebody, you just yell brake." Emergency brake. But we made it.
Wow. He knew they didn't bleed the brakes.
What's up?
I said he knew that they didn't bleed the brakes. See, that's the problem with me. I don't know nothing about cars. They can tell me anything and get away with it. I hate that. You're at their mercy.
Yeah. I mean, I think they probably did a good job. I think it was probably left up to the young guy to bleed the brakes and test it. And I think he was ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the manager was nice. They even gave us some discounts and stuff to try to help us out.
Did you get
and
crispy?
then so the funny part was the manager screwed up, and then the lady like pointed it out to him, and he's like, "Screw it, it's already there." So it's supposed to be like $1,100.
Wow.
But we was asking about a discount. The lady gave us a discount, and we was asking about another one. And the guy's like, "Well, I'll just give you the difference." And my wife's like, "Well, that sounds good." And he typed in the wrong number or something. He dropped it somehow from like 1,100 to 800. I think he did something on accident, and then the lady pointed it out, and he's like, "Well, it's there now. Whatever." that's kind of cool. You got Tom there to kind of go over, Tom and Darren to kind of go over that carnivore diet with you, huh?
Yeah, Mike Stunts does it too. And whew, this could be my last. Oh, there's no sugar in this. It's true. This could be my last cup of coffee with cream. My wife told me this morning that we're going to start, I don't know, some kind of extreme something. What the hell? Let's do extreme. If I get grumpy, you'll know why.
Well, the days and weeks are going to pass.
That's it. I tell that always to my kids. I swear to God, it'll be a memory. Whenever they're going through something that, you know, if they're cramming for exams or they have a hard day at work ahead of them, I say, eventually it'll all be a memory. As if it never existed.
Keep coughing, keep getting stuff in my throat. Yeah, we're sick over here.
I told you the story a while back. I was coughing on stream there for like 3-4 months. I was using the inhalers also every day.
Yeah.
Shit, that was terrible. I swear to God, I was worried it wasn't going to go away.
Hopefully I can mute most of them. Sometimes you don't get that opportunity.
Mm.
Yeah, Tom, Dr. Barry, and read the comments. He also has a live show. Yeah, Tom, I wrote that down. I'm going to check him out.
For what, though? For the carnivore?
Whatever stuff he has. Normally, those doctors got a lot of cool stuff they talk about.
Mm-hmm.
Funny because you go to your family doctor and they like feed you all this line of bullshit. Then you see some of these other doctors on YouTube and they're like, well, why do you think you're sick? You know, you're having all this sugar, you're eating all this shit you shouldn't be eating. Like, what do you think the result's going to be? He said he's all carnivore all the time.
Mostly meat and beef, or you switch it up between chicken, fish, and let's say pork? I don't know. See, the thing is also, I want to do it, but my wife says, she keeps telling me, but you can't only have beef, you know, you got to switch it up. We're not fish eaters. That's a problem. I hate fish.
Yeah, me neither.
I can't
hate
do
fish.
I can't do it.
Really? You don't eat fish?
Me?
Yeah.
No, tuna only. I can eat tuna from the can. I love it, but nothing else.
I don't even eat tuna. I don't eat no fish.
Yeah, well, tuna from the can I like.
My wife hates me.
Yeah.
She's like, how the hell did I marry a guy that won't eat fish?
living in Florida. That's the other thing. You're right by the ocean.
Living in Florida.
Yeah, I saw some TikToks yesterday about what went on in Texas with the flooding. Wow, the water really came in fast.
I was watching one and they was talking about like 7 or 8 different states that flooded in the past month.
Okay.
You only hear about Texas, but apparently there's been a bunch of them. Which makes me wonder, you know, why are they not talking about the rest of them? Oh, Tom's in Texas.
You have a southern
Texas.
Austin, yeah, you have a southern accent, Omnius. And I know, Mike, Florida's in the south, right? But that's not a typical Floridian accent that you have, no? You're more like Southwest. Your accent.
Funny because a lot of people will tell you that Florida's not even the South. Especially like once you get to Central Florida and below that, that's not even the South anymore.
You have a little bit of like an Alabamian accent.
I don't know. It's weird. Lived in Florida my whole life. Oh, well. So, Tom, are you where it flooded in Texas? Was that in Austin? I don't even know where in Texas it flooded. I saw a video. It didn't show the flooding, but it showed like these Boy Scouts talking about it.
Mm.
I think they were Boy Scouts. And the older one was saying that before they could even do anything, it was like up to the top bunk.
Crazy. Yeah, that's what I'm
in
saying.
The cabin they were in.
It was so fast. It was no time to react almost.
Saying basically it started coming in the cabin, then like before they could even do anything, it was already up to the top bunk.
Well, the video I saw, I told my wife it's like someone tilted the earth. The way the water just came in.
Well, they do say that the earth might have a pole shift soon.
I've heard that.
Might all be wiped out by a pole shift.
Well, how many extinction level events have there been in the last, let's say, 10 million years? I think they say 5 or 6 of them, no? Not just one. It's not just the dinosaurs. There's been a few of them.
Oh, at least, yeah. Well, they know the poles have shifted before because they can see it in the ice.
Mm.
Oh yeah, you've had the meteors supposedly took out the dinosaur. Then you had volcanoes.
Yeah, I don't remember what they were, but I remember seeing a documentary on it, and I said, "Holy shit, I didn't know." There's been like a minimum 3 for sure, I think, if I remember from that video.
More and more, they're finding out now that people have been around a lot longer than they thought. Where they used to think it was only been a couple thousand years, now they're looking at more like hundreds of thousands.
Mm.
So it looks like it just wants to dump, maybe go back to open range high.
Yeah, I'm watching too. I'm watching Bitcoin. I think still to doing gold, but I'm watching Bitcoin for a short. And we got below the bands. And we retraced back into them. So watching for a short. And not sure what I want to do on NQ, because NQ is strong.
Yeah.
Doesn't, we are pulling back, but it's a little bit. I heard that. You caught it, but I heard it. It's funny. I have my trade copier over your face. All I see is your mouth. So I see if you're smiling or not. Okay, Bitcoin is potentially going to go lower. I could have taken that bounce off the 200 band, but I don't know. It's 11:11. We got 7 points of range on the 1 minute candles. For me, 7 points of range is the don't trade anymore level of volatility.
I got an 8 on the ATR.
Yeah, so I did good. Almost up $1,000 on those accounts, and I'm down $50 on one account. So I don't know. I'm thinking it's Bitcoin short. Let's just do it on the.
Tom says he's done for the day. Tom, appreciate you stopping by. Look forward to seeing you stop by more often.
Yep. Take care, Tom. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.
I normally slow down trading around 11 also. Kind of hang out, talk, chat a little bit. But appreciate you stopping by. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Chat a little bit more. Hopefully everything works out with your car.
Hmm.
We don't need no more horror stories with cars.
Butterstones look like it's just going to consolidate on the pivot. Are we really on the pivot? R2, yeah. I don't know. I got really mixed signals now. I hate that. How about I stop trade copying? Trade copy closed. Nope.
That's what gets you in trouble.
I'm trying to come back.
Good. You
I'm
just
trying. No, I'm here. I'm just trying to figure it out. Don't worry. Give me 10 minutes. There we go.
How long it takes for you to master trade?
I wanted to close my trade copier. I ended up closing Discord. Gonna take a no trade day. Didn't have enough confidence to take that long off the open. That was pretty much it.
I mean, that would have took some big balls there.
Where was Mike today? Mike didn't show up. Mike is sub of the week for killing it in the competition. Where's Mike?
I still be sleeping. He was like 7 hours behind.
Oh, I screwed up. Hold on! I opened up so many of them! Okay, I'm sorry.
Damn, those all look new.
That didn't work out. Yeah, I got okay. So that was Coach Fred, and I got Jokers, but he didn't show up. I'll play Jokers. Maybe that'll bring him in. Here's Jokers. There's Jokers. I told him I got one. He didn't show up. Then we have one more.
Now you'd have to shave Joker's beard off, right?
No, he wanted the red Santa beard. That was by special order. He said, make sure I have the red Santa beard. Where's mine?
There you go.
Here's yours. Here's a new one. Anybody know who that is? That's someone who doesn't want a meme. I said, okay. Thanks. You just gave me the idea for what the meme is going to be.
Yeah, where's Mrs. Future Floor?
Yeah. She doesn't show up enough. Ruan, no, Ruan has one. I think Ruan has one.
Maybe she'd show up more if she had a meme.
Here's Ruan's. Yeah, he didn't show up today. Ruan's got one. And that's it. What do you mean that's it? You want more? That's it. Oh, maybe that's it for you. And I got a new one for you, Butterstunts, already. It's just not finished.
Don't worry, we're gonna get a Mrs. Futures Floor.
We'll get
you gotta
one.
tell them what. You gotta tell them your requirements.
I like Jokers. The profit of price action. That's pretty good, no?
Yeah, I like that one.
Boom. Let's take a trade. I'm not trade copying though. Let me just make sure. Go to positions. Short, short. The other one's Bitcoin, right? MBTC.
Man, he's trying hard to get away from that Mrs. Futures floor, isn't he?
Say that again?
Said he's trying hard to get away from that Mrs. Futures floor.
Oh, you mean changing the subject?
He's like, change subject, jump into a trade. Long and short, just pick a direction and go with it.
Just click the fucking buttons.
Just click that fucking button and go.
No, I have a short. We're going to let it go. Deal me in. Consider yourself dealt. Consider yourself served. 87. Nice win. Unfortunately, though, for the one for Joker, I think I'm going to get a copyright strike on that sound. Yeah. It's from a song.
It's short here. We're taking a short.
Okay, that's it. I got in earlier. You're taking a short. You tell me when you get out. I'm not getting out. I got my entry. I'm taking your exit.
I gotta get the signal first.
Oh, come on, give him the signal.
400, 300, 200 volume remaining.
Just don't forget to tell me when you get out.
100.
What
80,
numbers?
70.
What are you calling out? Oh, the volume counter.
There we go. Now we're short.
Short? Okay. So now you let me know when you're
stop loss. What's that give me? About 13-point stop.
Okay, I love this. I don't even have to make a decision. Well, let's save 10 points minimum. So at least you're going to 74 for sure.
Try for 64.
Wow.
It'll go.
Well, I'm going to put in a bid for one at 77.
The ATR is only at 8.
Yeah.
So who knows?
8! You know what mine is? 5.92.
Oh, God.
Yeah, because I do it on the last 6 bars.
Well, you know what? This is my one trade on the day on this account, so if it loses, fuck it.
Yeah, and maybe we'll just call it a day also after this, because this is just stupid volatility. I think nobody's
Got at least
trading.
be able to handle 1 or 2 losses in a day, huh?
I gotta finish up a video. I just gotta put the voiceover on it. Remember what I was telling you, the way that I wanted to try and format it with our faces and stuff?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try and put together just, this first one here with me. It's an unrelated video. See how it goes, and you'll see it and you'll understand the format. And maybe we'll move forward. I'm going to see how easy it is to do the voiceover. The way I'm going to do it is I have the AI voice and I have the video. So I'm going to play the video with my headphones on, and I'm just going to repeat how he's talking. So I don't need a teleprompter. I don't need to remember the script, nothing, because I have the guy whispering it in my ears. Problem with me is I'm like Trump. I like to improvise. And then I start adding sentences, and then I get out of sync with the video. You really got to say exactly what he's saying. Especially since I spent so much time and effort trying to time. Hey, you got to tell me when you're getting out, eh? I'm hanging on.
I wasn't even looking at it. That's what I got stop loss for.
I don't know where your stop loss is.
398.75.
Okay, now I know.
Got a little high there. If it breaks the high, just get me out.
Yeah, I see it.
Or if the candle turns green. Could even lower it a little bit. I don't know.
Lower
I've been
it?
having this choppy. Yeah, just leave it there.
I'm thinking the second swing high, 403.50 maybe. Too often they like to wick out a swing low or swing high, but not two. I don't know if
we
you
did have a lot of Delta come in,
Mm.
bullish Delta, so I'm not happy about that.
Oh, yeah. I removed my OBV. I didn't really use it much. Okay. That one's gone.
I don't understand. The one scene it shows your picture perfect. And the other one it shows me. And they should both be the same. Stay where I'm at. Yeah, now we're pushing. ES is pushing. Yeah, going down.
Yeah, I
What
see
can
your
you do?
trade. Okay, there you go. What do you mean, what can you do? You're short. If you said ES is pushing lower, that's good.
No, it's pushing higher.
Ah. I heard you say going down.
No, I said we're going down. Trade, well.
I get what you mean.
People.
Yeah, I get you. I get you.
We need new terminology.
This trade ain't going down. I mean, you know what? No, I'm not getting it. Anything can happen. ACH. I'm not getting out. Anything can happen. On a dime, this thing can just change directions. That's what it is. It's waves of buyers, waves of sellers. Yeah, right now the buyers are coming in, but any second they could back off and then the sellers will start coming in. And if they stop me out, they stop me out. I'm not going to predict.
No, and it's a valid trade, so whatever. As long as I'm losing on a valid trade, got my stop loss.
The day is good. Didn't get enough cash registers ringing today. There we go. Looks like the momentum shifted. Buyers have gone. Buyers have gone fishing. Hopefully it holds. Hopefully it holds for a little while.
I play the probabilities of the long run, so no single trade should matter.
Hey, deal me in. What was I going to ask you? Oh, if you play a song backwards, you think it'll still pick it up for a copyright strike?
Is that going to be our new thing to try?
Well, what do you think?
Why do y'all play every song backward? That would be interesting to try.
Well, because the thing that I'm using for Joker is a chant. So I'm saying it'll still sound like a chant if I play it backwards.
Sometimes what I'll do is overlap them, try to confuse it.
I just don't understand how it has absolutely everything in its library to be able to catch you. Like you'd figure it would be the popular songs or, you know, songs that got on the charts, but it's got everything.
Oh God, I had one. I was listening to Spotify and a song came through, and it wasn't even like a like mainstream band or anything. It's like some underground band, underground song, and like it picked it up. It knew where it was from. It knew what the band was. It knew the company they was with. Everything.
Yeah, I don't get it. That's insane.
Crazy.
Well, so I guess this Joker thing for sure will get flagged. Okay, no big deal. I'll get another sound. I'll make it up myself. I did Butter Stunts, so yeah, I'll do his Gregorian chant.
Well, they ticked my stop loss. Didn't take it yet, but I'm about 100% sure they're going to.
Yeah, you're pretty close. I don't really care. I had a good day. I'm going to let it go a little further. I'm going to let it go to 405. Another 14 bucks.
No, because on the 5-minute, we're in a bull flag.
Oh, yeah,
about to break out.
I see it. I see it. Okay, so fuck you. I'm out.
There we go. I'm out.
I'm out. I'm out.
Yeah, I wouldn't fight that bull flag.
Mm.
So minus 14 points. That's fine.
Mm-hmm. You took a 4 lot, I think I saw on your stream.
Yeah, I forgot. I changed it, didn't I? So yeah, 4 lot.
I don't know. That's what I thought I saw.
Yeah, 4 lot. So that's even better. Look,
Mm.
change it from 5 to 4 just in time.
Mm.
I think that's what a lot of people miss is there's other ways for risk management. Lower your size, lower your for copy trading, maybe not copy trade as much. I try to keep it down to a few trades a day. And it's amazing how little trades it takes to make it all back.
Mm. So overall, would you say you enjoyed master trading with me today?
There ain't no world where I'm gonna say I enjoyed master trading with another guy live on stream.
Master trading. That's like a master class. It's a master trading is short for a master class of trading.
Listen, I understand you're from Canada, but I'm from Florida.
It was a good day. Not only was it a good day, it was a good day of patience. It's true. I didn't even tell you. I don't think I told you what I kind of put into place. It's not fully in place yet, but I'm going to allow the bots to take over a lot of my trading, and I'm going to focus on being entertaining on the stream. 2 reasons. 1, most importantly, I'm trying to go a little bit longer term on my trades, and I can't do it. My psyche just can't handle it. So the bots can do it, and I'll just take a look every now and then how they're doing, and I'll allow the markets to determine my day. It'll have the patience for the entries, the patience for the exits. So that'll work. And 2, I miss too many trades being distracted, and then I get in late.
Yeah.
So that's the plan. I said, you know what? It works out perfectly. I get to focus more on the stream and let the bot take over the trading. And that's why I said it went well today. Today I did it manual. I didn't have the bot trading it. I did it manual, but you noticed, right? I took a lot less trades today. Did you pick up? Did you pick up on that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Plus I don't know. We're both different, but to me, all those trades are stressful.
Mm.
I'm like trying to minimize my stress.
Definitely. I saw a video from Linda Raschke on the weekend, and it hit home also. She said, the least amount of decisions you make during the trading day, the better it is. You shouldn't be making any decisions. You should just be like decisions, meaning, okay, are we going to go up here? You should have your plan in place. You should know your plan, and you should just execute it. I mean, theoretically that's a decision too, but that's not what she means. That you're saying, okay, my plan has a trade that triggered and I'm deciding to take it also. Yes, that's a decision, but that's not at all what she's taking. She's saying get rid of your exhausting yourself mentally trying to predict and time the market impulsively on the fly. No. Everything's got to be laid out.
Right. Plus, if it's not laid out when you get in the trade, if you start looking at the numbers, you start looking at other stuff, then your heart starts pounding. You can't think, you're clenching your butt cheeks, and at that point, you've already lost. You got to show up to the fight prepared. You can't just show up and say, I'm going to wing it. Okay.
So at the end of my videos, I always say that we're active traders. You don't have to wait 4 hours for us to take a trade. I'm going to have to change it to, we used to be active traders. You think people will notice? We used to be active traders. We're no longer active traders.
Leave it. I don't think anybody cares.
I'm joking. Of course I'm going to leave it. We used to be active traders. Oh, I got a long. Boop, boop, boop. Let's take it.
Just put we're master traders and we master trade.
We master trade. We master trade all day long. Till our hands bleed. Okay, you better not stop me out, you bugger. What time is it? 11:33. That's about 94 is about the 50%. I'll add it 94. And it is what it is. I will accept these results.
You gotta steal Patrick's saying, #1 stream on YouTube.
Everybody's #1.
Well, I mean, in your opinion, aren't you?
You know what? It doesn't matter. I'm surprised the Federal Trade Commission, is that it? The FTC, the one that's in charge of broadcasting and stuff, doesn't say, you know what? You got to back that up with something, some kind of data. You have to back that up with some kind of data. You can't just make claims.
What's an opinion? You can't tell people what their opinion is.
Yeah. Then if you say the #1, the most entertaining, that's an opinion.
Well, #1's an opinion.
Most entertaining. No, #1 is a fact. You have to have either the most viewers or the most subscribers or the most something.
No.
#1 in what?
What doesn't matter?
Well, you didn't define it.
If I say I'm #1 in my mind, that's a fact.
In my mind. But you didn't put that in the title. You didn't say
don't matter.
#1 in my mind.
It don't matter. You can be #1.
Hey,
don't you ever tell your kids? You never told your kids you're #1?
You're the best. I tell them you're the best.
Okay, well, that's the same thing. You don't have to prove it.
No.
What if your kid was like, Dad, prove it? Shit, I don't know. What do I got to do?
I can prove it. Son, look how many times I say, I love you to you, and look how many times I say it to other kids.
So you don't have any evidence. You're just saying you're #1 in my book. But you don't say it like that. You just say, son, you're #1. Or daughter, you're #1, you know. I tell my daughter all the time, you know, I'm like, you know, you're my favorite daughter, right? You're #1. She looks at her brother and says, hi, I'm #1. And then her brother's like, he said daughter. My kids are too smart.
Okay, I'm happy. I got my money back from the little loss I took on the Omnius trade. The one Omnius trade I take. Oh, look at that shitty wick. It doesn't hit take profit. That's okay. Next one. No, I didn't take an Omnius trade. It's true. I took my trade. I just went for the Omnius profit target.
We have a disclaimer.
We'll get the next one.
Do not copy our trades. May or may not be drunk. Master trade daily. You got a master trade by yourself.
Doctor's orders.
Doctor's orders. Mike, you got to make a video, right? How do you get over a losing trade?
You don't even have to finish that.
I go master trade myself. Relieves a little bit of stress.
Yeah, how do you recover from losing trades? Well, don't stop master trading. Just continue master trading. Hey, I'm glad I got out.
I like the one where they say, how do you get over losing trades? And I forget who it was. They're like, Well, the good news is that traders have a very short memory. So by the next day, you forgot you even took a losing trade.
Exactly, and that's why the PDLL is so fantastic. Because while you're looking at your losses during the trading day and you're furious, if you just quit when you have a small loss and you come back tomorrow, fuck, I don't even remember what account I had a losing trade in. They just all blend into each other. Or a losing day in.
Exactly. Switch them out, use different forms of risk management.
Mm.
You know how hard it is. You know how hard it is to blow an account losing $200 a day.
I know. That's why I said, look at my BULENOX accounts here. 3 master accounts. I'm rotating them. One is at where are they? Hold on. Let me go by display name. One is at 51,053. The other one is at 49,949. Made 100, 200 today. And the other one's at 50,235. So they're slowly climbing, except for one of them. That one was down as much as 600, but I had two $200 days, and it's back up. Yes.
Then when you get in the days where you're hitting it every day, that's when you throttle up.
Mm-hmm.
You know, days like this, you can throttle back a little bit. You start getting 2, 3, 4, 5 winning days in a row. Throttle it up. Add another contract. Add another one.
It's just really a shame that BULENOX, I'm going to have to contact them because they seem to have gotten rid of a lot of rules, eh? I was on their website the other day. I couldn't find a lot of the restrictive rules anymore. And I went through everything.
Really? I haven't heard of
So I'm
changing
wondering.
any rules recently.
Well, they got rid of them all, it seems.
I don't know.
All the restrictive rules are gone. They're not on their website anymore. There's no more trade every 5 days. There's no more do not copy trade to other accounts. I couldn't find it. Do not copy trade to other firms, you know?
Hey, the 91's back.
Well, I checked this morning. It's still the 18th, the expiration date. Did they change it? To what date now?
31st.
Wow. Okay. So go buy an account and use my code. You do use my code, right?
I do.
Do you really?
Best code on the internet. Highest chance of winning. Who else's code would I use? Can't use my own. Can't master trade by myself.
No. Here's a funny one.
731. So you got 10 more days.
Yeah, you know they have the, but they also have 81% or 83%.
They have 83 and they also have 45.
So for the 83, I made the code FLOOR2, FLOOR with the number 2.
Yeah.
And I have sales on that.
That's crazy.
How?
Well, a lot of people.
But I don't advertise that. But you don't see that anywhere.
A lot of people on BULENOX will use the code 2.
Oh yeah. Floor
also,
2.
you get.
That's like me typing.
Also, you get credit if somebody uses your link. So they might have used it. That might have been the best code. So it automatically defaulted to that one, and you got credit.
There you go. That's what happened. Yeah. Because I said there's no way someone's typing in floor 2. I didn't even have my chat up. My wife said, "'Cause of you."
Because of me.
No, I don't know. She just wrote, no, she's talking to me, obviously, "'Cause of you," at 11:40. 1 minute ago. What did we say? 1 minute ago that she said, "'Cause of you."
I don't see it. Oh, she must have messaged you?
No, on the chat here, on my channel's chat. Well, I'll ask her later.
Oh, I see it now. Why does it do that? So I had to refresh, and then different chats popped up. Isn't that stupid?
You want to hear, that filter for the bad words?
Yeah.
So I said something this morning. I don't remember what it was. I said I'm going to try something. I think that was to let the bots just do most of the trading. So my wife typed in, "to get your feet wet." And I didn't respond. So she said something, and I said, "I didn't see your message." Like she said, like, "You didn't reply to my message." I go, "I didn't see your message." She goes, "Yeah, I typed in." I go, "What do you mean you typed in?" She goes, "I typed in to get your feet wet." Oh, I was chatting with her on my phone. I go, no, it's not there. So I said, go do it again. I want to see. It didn't come up.
That's weird.
It's filtering out to get your feet wet. So I said, okay, what word is it filtering out? So I told her to write each word separately. Which word do you think it's filtering out from that message?
Wet.
Yeah, wet.
Kind of like moist.
Kind of like squirting.
It kind of resembles like get you wet.
Yeah.
That's stupid. I think all that stuff's stupid.
But it's your feet. She was talking about her feet. And she didn't use the word fetish. I mean, it's a little extreme. Come on.
Butters says your dealer's broken.
No. Butters stunt is feeling lucky. Butters draws 46. Holy shit. You're right.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Don't take advantage of that. Don't win free chips that you can't redeem in the futures floor store. Because we're closed due to bankruptcy. Forever. We don't plan on reopening. Well, I have a long trade in Topstep. 71% chance we're going to 408 on the bid. But I don't know. I don't like it for some reason. Try it again. Dealer draws 6. There you go. You know what? I don't know. I think the chat is doing weird shit. I think the chat is not picking up all messages today. Because Omnius was having the same problem. He was missing chats from that guy Tom that was in his stream, I think. I think there were a couple of chats he missed. And he was wondering why he didn't get it. Oh, actually, you know what? Everything is long. I thought one was long, one was short. No, even the... Burp, burp. Someone's texting me. Burp, burp. I wish I could figure out how to get there. It is my wife. And what?
What?
Oh, I get it. No.
All right. Got my coupon set up right. Hey, so how cool is it that Tom's 70 on the carnivore diet and trading futures?
And lost 70 pounds.
I mean, that's pretty big goals right there.
Mm.
I'd love to be trading futures at 70.
I saw a comedian. He was hilarious. I don't think it was... what's that guy's name? Anyways, I don't remember his name, but he says when you're overweight and you haven't seen someone in a long time, and let's say, you know, they're seeing you for the first time and you're 50 pounds heavier than the last time they saw you. Mm. And when they say to you, how are you? You go, I'm feeling great. I lost 100 pounds. I'm on a diet. I lost 100 pounds already. It changes their perspective. Wow, you're doing great.
I mean, that is a way to play the psychology. Yeah.
Yeah. Holy shit, look at you. You completely reversed it from, wow, you gained a lot of weight, to, you're my hero. Ah, there we go. We just got the verdict. Brakes, disc, and calipers. It's always the calipers now.
Who for you?
Yep.
Brakes, disc, and calipers. Oh, yeah. Well, there you go. And wait for it.
And
now you're going to need a brake flush.
Yeah, flush. I don't even know
about
what that is.
There you go, about $1,000.
Yeah, with the bill $700. No flush. Don't flush my brakes. Actually, we had that brake flush. They're not supposed to charge for that. I saw them do it, actually. All they really did was they spurted a little bit. They just, you know, they didn't flush.
No, that's the shit. Now I can't think of what it was called. That's bleeding the brakes.
Ah, that's what they did. Oh, that's not the same thing.
No, when they flush it, they flush all the brake fluid out the lines and add all new brake fluid.
Okay.
We're saying we got a long here?
Yeah. I don't know if you can see the blue background there on my chart. So the stop is, it's a 1-to-1 trade with the stop at the low of the swing low. So if I were to draw in the fibs, the target is 407. This has about a 70 to 80% probability also.
Yeah, if you say 80%.
And I like to take these when it retraces by 50% because then they become 3-to-1 trades. But
where'd my stop go?
Right at the swing low, 393.
Damn, tight stop. 393.
Yeah, 393.
That's in the candle.
Okay, we'll put it one tick under the candle. I don't think we can take trades together. I think when we take trades together, when we master trade together, it doesn't go well. Let's see.
I don't think any trade's going well today. It's just this.
I did well. I'm happy. I'm going to add it to 50% though. I'm even going to put in a buy limit at 96 because now if it fills me at 96, my stop is 3 points almost only. And then I'm going for 9 points. It's a 3-to-1 trade.
Fine, I'll put mine in at 95.
And then I'll put in my stop for a 4 lot right under, just in case it decides to explode. Sell stop. Let's have all the orders in. No surprises. And you know what? It's always a good idea even to have your buy limit in also. No, your sell order in for your take profit. Because you know what? A lot of times this thing just spikes.
Mm-hmm.
Just does one of those stupid spikes. And this is a 1-to-1 trade. It's a strict 1-to-1 trade. Okay, there's my 4 lot, and I got my 4 lot to get out. Actually,
so
I'm getting
got in that second one, right?
I did. I'm trying to get out now, also, of the 2 lot.
Yeah, missed my entry.
I'm just trying to make my price better. Hey! You're going the wrong way. I don't like that. I don't want to take a lot of risk on this position. Come on, pop up. Don't embarrass me. I'm streaming live on YouTube. Stay focused. That's what Nightbot says. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on. Your message isn't coming up on my Nightbot. Oh, okay. Well, let's do what Butterstun said. Butterstun said delete it and redo it. Oh, no, there it is. There.
Yes, there right now.
Yep. Good. Just save me some work.
You can always add a hotkey.
Nah, I don't want to do it manually. That's the purpose of Nightbot.
Well, if you're telling somebody.
Ah, okay. Well, show me how to do the hotkeys.
Then all you got to do is type it in. It pops right up.
Mm.
And you can do hotkeys for other stuff. Like you want to do a video or something. Trades by Matt does that a lot. He'll say, somebody asks him a question. He's like, type in this. It'll bring up a video.
Oh, wow. And that's with Nightbot?
I'm pretty sure they all do it.
Wow, I like that. Okay.
So you can say,
yeah, send them to my...
You got a video about BULENOX. Somebody ask about BULENOX. Here, type this in, or you can type it in. Go watch this video. It's gonna tell you all about it.
Yeah. You got in and you added?
No, I didn't add it. Didn't.
You didn't add? You didn't take the 3-to-1 trade? That one's mathematically better.
No, I got in. It didn't quite hit it.
Well, are you in the trade? Or no, I don't even know.
I'm in the trade, yes. I didn't take the second entry.
I got you. So what's your original entry at? Mine's at 96. No, that's my second entry. I got out of the first one.
First entry, 402.
Okay, a little late.
So you go to Nightbot. You go to Nightbot. You set up commands. I don't know. What's kind of weird? It told me to do something, then it told me I couldn't do it, and something else. I don't know.
I'm going to do what I always do. I'm just going to go to ChatGPT and say, how do I set it up? So if I want to send someone to a video, they just have to type something in. And it brings up the link. That's a cool little feature. I would think StreamerBot would do that, but not...
Apparently you can do song requests and stuff too.
Well, song requests?
Yeah, I don't know. You can do giveaways, commands.
Yeah, giveaways. I know. I saw the thing for the giveaways.
I need to set up another one. What do I want to set up? What kind of command? New command.
Kids, go to sleep. If only that worked, huh?
Yeah, fuck it. I'll do it another day. Wonder if Apex messaged back yet. They're gonna let me back in their program, or am I still not cool enough? Well, this trade sucks.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how anybody trades this.
No, I don't. What do we got? I don't even know. I don't even want to look. Oh, it's a little bit better. No, it's not a little bit better. I thought we were in the evening session. I was going to say 5-point range on the 1-minute candles. That's better than 3. No, 5 is unheard of in a day session.
That was 9 points. So what's that give me? 23. Fuck 'em. But looking back, there hasn't been very many good signals. It's been like that lately.
That's funny you say that, because almost everything I traded today, almost everything I trade, all my setups did pretty well.
I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 signals. Looks like 1, 2. 2 would have definitely been winners. 1 was definitely a loser. That one would have been losers. That's 2 losers, possibly 3. That one could have been a winner. I don't know. Had I traded every signal today, it would have been 2 winners, 2 losers, and a possible winner or loser. I don't know.
Well, my count is 6-1. 7 trades, 7 official trades, 6 winners, 1 loser.
But also the good signals were when I was trading the other thing. So I think that kind of collided with those trades there. I don't know. I'm good with it.
Whoa, look at the time. It passed so fast. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do now all the time. I'm just going to...
Would it be bad if I took this short?
A little early on my...
Well, if it don't go up, it goes down, right?
Theoretically. Well, we did break the lows, but the thing is we have a lot of internal lows. 378, 367, 363. Are we going to take them all out? Are we going to go to VWAP? Or are we just going to take one out? Are we trading in a range that you're going to see later on the 5-minute? You know, 405 down to, let's say, 384.
Theoretically, we have an inverse cup and handle on the 5-minute.
Yeah, I see.
If I inverse my chart, you can see that very clearly.
Well, I'm not interesting. I'm not a financial advisor, so I don't want to give you a financial advice. You know, go seek the advice of a licensed professional.
We don't give
I'm here
financial
just to
advice. We give master trader advice.
I'm here just to entertain you. Let me entertain you.
We're here to make bad jokes and help the time go by.
Hey, speak for yourself. I don't make bad jokes. You make bad jokes.
Bad jokes, dad jokes. I mean, you're a dad, so you make dad jokes.
I make sad, bad dad jokes.
You can't make dad jokes unless there's bad jokes in there. So I'd have to disagree.
See, that's why I laugh at all my jokes, so people know that I'm joking. Even if I don't find it funny, I still laugh. Ouch. So did you go short?
I did, but once again, it don't look like it's going to cooperate.
It looks like you seem to be a little bit of a breakout trader, eh? Not so much a retracement type of trader. Like, that's a little late, no? Shouldn't you be clicking the donkey on that one if you're entering at 385 to the short side?
No. Look at my chart. You see the red candle. You see it going right on the chart.
Hold on.
It's just going the opposite direction. It'd be better if it had a pullback. But since we have a failed long, and it's breaking below the momentum line on the 2-minute, that could be a possible short entry. Yeah? Huh?
My fingers smell. My fingers smell from my balls.
Uh-oh.
You see?
Break even?
Don't assume anything.
Fuck it, take the trade.
It's these guys.
So there you go.
They smell these things, eh? They have a very strong odor. The rock.
Are you sniffing your balls?
No, I'm serious. They smell like...
Golly, I'm over here trying to make masterful trades, be a master trader. And this guy's over there sniffing his balls.
Smell.
What the fuck?
Smell it.
He's like, you want to sniff my balls? No.
Smell my fingers.
Golly.
I forgot what I was doing. I was supposed
Butters.
to...
Butters, this guy's trying to get people to smell his balls. Come on, man. Here I am trying to be a master trader. This guy wants people to sniff his balls.
Wouldn't you like to be a master trader, too? Okay, can I still see your signal? Because that you were telling me about, that I was saying that it seems a little late?
Yeah. It's there right now.
I'm there. I'm going. I'm opening up the screen.
Closing. You can see the trade.
Well, I don't know.
Actually, you can see the failed trade and then the other one.
What's that little line with the circle? I can't really tell. Is that like a little star and a circle?
Line with a circle?
Yeah, come on. Right, like 3 bars back over the, pretty much at the high of 2 bars back, 2 closed bars back.
You talking about on the 2-minute chart?
I don't know, on the big chart.
This one?
Yeah, 23, 396, 11, 12. Yeah, right there. Well, we're relaxed with the craziness. the little line and the little dot, not the whole fucking chart. Oh, it continues. It goes through. It's just not showing. It's like a break. I got it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
Momentum line?
I didn't know. I thought that was a signal line or something. Yeah. What it is, it's that red line, green line, red line. It's the continuation.
Yeah, it's the momentum line. Yeah.
Okay. So where was your entry when you broke the momentum line and closed? To the
If
downside?
you look at the volume chart down at the bottom there, you see the entry.
Okay.
Down here.
Yeah. I'm hungry.
You see the failed breakout long. And then the entry short.
Mm.
So we broke the momentum line on the 2 minute, right?
Mm-hmm.
See that? Failed long, break momentum line, pushing down. The volume chart turned from green to red, also breaking a trend line. And all that together told me to say, take a short.
Okay, so, but you should have taken
And
some money out of that.
Skeletor said,
Melty chocolate,
melty
salty
chocolate
balls.
salty balls.
No,
Skeletor, I'm over here trying to be a master trader, act like a professional, and he's talking about sniffing those balls.
I don't have melty chocolate salty balls. I have rock balls. I have rock balls. Okay, so you pulled out 15 points on that.
12.
Okay, good job.
But brings back some of my losses on that little area, so fuck it. Could be setting up for a long now.
Sure.
Look at the 5 minute. No,
yeah.
long does not mean short, it means long.
No, for me it's short. I got short everywhere.
I can see short. I could do short or long.
Yeah. I got short, and short.
If I draw a line right here, ugly line. I like my ugly lines. If I get a red candle, short it.
Yeah, that's what I have also. If I get a bearish candle, short it. But I'm quitting. I'm stopping with what I have. I'm happy with what I have. I don't want to touch it. Don't want to ruin it.
That's the way I feel about it. Skeletor, what you got? You trading? You done for the day? You eating chocolate salty balls or you sniffing your balls?
Sniffing your balls. You can't sniff your balls. You can only play with your balls and then smell your hands. You can smell your fingers.
Oh, wouldn't I be sniffing your balls?
No. Smelling your fingers, smelling your fingers. In the court of law, it's smelling your fingers.
Okay.
What did you do? I smelled my fingers.
Trade sims only. Day like this is a good day for it.
Mm. Who typed that?
No PA trade today.
Where are
Good
you
man.
getting all this? Oh, okay.
Skeletor is right there on the chat.
Yeah. I got it.
I had to refresh. I had to refresh your chat to get it to go up to date.
The chats are working weird today.
What's up with that?
Chats are working weird today. Meaty, salty chocolate balls. Okay, I got a short. I'm going to take it. Fuck off.
No. Thought you were done.
I'll take one. My stop will be, I don't know where. This is the new system. This is the new butter band system. I took it for a 2-lot. Whatever. I'm pretty sure
we want to dump.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get out there. I just got out of 1 lot. I have almost no risk on the trade now. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? This is a long-term trade. I might just put in a stop order at 90, 9 points above, and just let it go. And come back, check it at 3 o'clock.
I'm going to lower my size in half because it's too late in the day to be taking losses.
Or,
if I get the signal, I'll take it.
Long? Still long?
Short.
Oh, okay.
Short.
Yeah.
We're at this support zone. We got, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches. Looks like we're about to break below.
Yeah.
Still below the momentum line. You know, what's funny is my momentum line even tells you to buy or sell. I just don't ever use it.
You mean like an audio alert?
No. Visual alert.
Okay.
I need to get with ChatGPT. I want to do some more work on that indicator. So many damn things to do.
Oof, tell me about it. I worked Sunday, I think, from 6 in the morning
There we
till
go. Take the short.
7 at night. Mostly on image creation.
Stop loss at the pivot point. Actually, I can go lower than that. There's no need to be way up there. There we go. 10-point loss. Yeah, it's crazy how much time it takes to do all that stuff.
Mm.
Or to work on the indicators or any of that stuff.
Well, the video creation, actually, I had the video creation taken care of while I was taking a shower. I told my wife even, I said, I had the video made. But the problem is I like custom images. And when you do a 3-minute video and you're changing images every 5 seconds, you got 36 images you got to change. And it takes GPT sometimes 2 minutes, 3 minutes to make an image, and it doesn't come out right. You know, so it like ends up being a 4-hour job just to change the images.
Right.
I shouldn't change all of them. I probably should
I found a cool way to get video clips for free.
From an image?
From what?
From an image, you know, like drop in an image and it'll make a video.
Well, it creates the image and then it creates the video.
Oh, yeah. It's not OpenArt or something like that? OpenArt AI?
No, it's actually YouTube. Remember
Really?
I showed you before?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And then I found out how you can save the video. So you can just create a bunch of pictures, turn them all into video. There we
Okay.
go. Look at that.
Yeah, nice.
Break even.
Break even. I tried to get out and it spiked.
Yeah, me too.
Bastard.
Mother bitches.
Yeah, I'm out.
What the fuck ever.
I've seen this too often. I've seen this movie play out.
All right. Damn, that was good.
Yeah, well, that's why. Remember when I said put in your limit orders before?
That was 12 points. Yeah.
Anyway.
Like I was literally trying to click the button to get out.
Yeah, me too. I put it in. I put it in. Oh, well, c'est la vie. Okay, guys, I'm checking out. That's it for me.
Me too. Skeletor, thanks for hanging out.
Yeah. Just to let you know, there is a 70% chance that we hit. Hold on, I got to do the math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 66 bid before we hit 87.
Did you say 466?
No, 366 to the downside. It's still a 70% chance.
Oh, downside.
That 66 gets hit, so we're gonna go through that swing again. Most likely 71% chance.
Yeah, I'm gonna set it out.
I'm not taking it. I'm done.
Good where I'm at.
Yep.
Especially the way the day started. Kind of started out bad. Just glad I got everything in a scramble, trying to get everything back to the way it's supposed to be. So hopefully I got things right. And then I get on the Prism, and it was trying to screw me over. I caught that. So all in all, it turned out pretty good.
Yep. Okay, guys. Thanks for showing up. I probably will stream tonight, starting at 5:45 if I can. More prison talk. Prism, not prison. PRISM. Thanks for showing up.
That's funny. He went right to prison.
Yeah, he went right to prison. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. Go straight to prison.
Wood chip. We're not even going to ask if you went to prison, but what were you there for?
There you go. Forget the small talk. Let's go right into the details.
That'll be for another day. Don't answer. It'll be for another day.
Yeah, leave it. Okay, guys. Quick cutout. Thanks for showing up. I'll see you tonight.
Wood chip, Skeletor. Appreciate y'all hanging out.
Take care. Bye.
Later, everyone.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, 3 lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like, chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my OF like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.